So you're just hearing me talk to myself.
You sound so crazy.
Holy
Okay.
shit.
Okay. Now they
Why
can
did
hear
no
me.
one not say that?
I don't know. They just wanted to hear you talk. See? Look how scuffed it already is. Hi, Chad. Hi, Chad. You can hear me now too. It just sounded like Anthony was talking to himself.
Well, we're off to a great start, aren't we?
Hi, Chad. How's everyone doing? Hello, Texas Pando. Hello, Nathan. Hello, JMC. Hello, Pizza in the Oven. Hello, Fizzbuzz. Hello.
JMC.
Today is a super exciting day. Why is it exciting? I don't fucking know. Maybe someone won a football game or something. But also,
The best part is Chad is now saying that they can only hear me still, but I think they're fucking with you.
they're fucking with me. I can see the little thingy going up and down. Turn up Anthong. Okay, I'll turn him up. How's that?
I'm getting turned.
Yeah, you're getting turned. Is that better?
Hello.
Anthony was
Can you hear me
talking
now?
dirty to chat. He was talking dirty to chat. I heard that. I heard that. He was threatening to edge chat. I heard it. Is my body
You
even
let them
running?
have their release though.
Oh my god, pull request. Jesus, there's so many dirty jokes there.
Yeah.
Yeah. How
I'm
come
gonna force push pull request.
Stop. Enjoy your boss's money? What? Okay, cool.
That 2-month sub.
Yeah, I know. They're all fucking subs. Let's face facts.
Oh, there we go. There's the
Delepsy. Thank you for your 2 months. Wow.
Here's your boss money.
I think it's funny because every stream I've seen pronounces DDoS differently, and I don't even know if I'm right.
I like Delepsy. It's so wrong. Like, there's no way Delepsy is correct, but I like it. I personally like it. So there's that. Okay, cool. What are we doing today? Programming is a very kinky profession. If you type in bang today, you'll find out. Wow. What we're doing today is Anthony is a big brain nerd who has a lot of knowledge that he wants to share with everybody else. And by doing that, and to alleviate boredom, we've decided to create a new program called Anthony Teaches Code. And who is he teaching? Juiceboxhero, the best student in the world. Wow. I'm so easy to teach. I don't get frustrated at all.
Oh no.
No one's ever seen me get frustrated ever. Ever.
Are your lights on, by the way?
They are. I can turn it up. There. Is that better? Is this better?
I mean, I'm on stream delay, so.
This is better. Is it better? Blue light?
Yeah.
Blue light?
Yeah.
Bluer?
Whiter.
Whiter? You want white? There, is that better? Brighter?
It's back to where it was. It's fine. Whatever.
I think it also, the sun is setting behind me, so it's gonna look like backlit and kind of weird for a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I just thought you were going for the, Halloween spookiness.
Is that why there was a YouTube video explaining CD? No, he literally just wanted to make a CD's nuts joke. That's like 100% what it was. I haven't confirmed with him, but I'm like 1,000% sure it was a CD's nuts joke. And he wasn't being helpful. Yeah, he wasn't being helpful at all.
No, there's 2 helpful things in that video that most people don't know.
Hope you're ready for taking notes. Okay, let's start, Anthony. What am I doing?
Okay, so we are going to be multitasking to start with. The goal of today is to set up a Linux machine and get familiar with the basics of it. And at the same time, we're going to be taking notes. So the first thing that we're going to do is start the setup of the virtual machine because it's going to take forever. And while that's going, we're going to do some stuff on GitHub. So I asked you before stream to download a .iso file and to install VirtualBox and to have a GitHub account. Those are the 3 things that we need to get started. Let's start. So the first thing you're going to do is going to click that big green button.
Big green button clicked.
Yes, and you're going to find wherever that ISO file
Desktop.
is.
Oh shit. I see.
Yeah, next to your porn folder.
It's probably under download. If I had to guess. Oh.
Is it in the anime folder? The other anime folder? School documents / Ubuntu.iso.
I don't know where it is.
Hey, well, that'll be the first first game of the stream.
I downloaded it through. Hold on.
If you did it through Chrome, it's probably in your downloads folder.
Yeah, I thought it would be too. Show in folder. Oh, that's in video.
Oh, I'm frozen on your screen.
Yeah, I know. I know. Something happened.
I'm frozen with quite a face too.
I unfroze you. I thought I downloaded it.
Well, you have fairly fast internet, so you can probably download it again.
Let's see
It's
if this
only-
fucks with everything or nothing.
Should be fine.
I could have swore I downloaded it. Okay, releases dot a boot. I pressed the button. I
then
swear.
it prompts you to pay money, but you don't have to do that.
Maybe I just didn't listen to it. Okay, desktop image, 64-bit.
Yes, and not the ARM one. So you want the AMD one.
See, this is what I did. I pressed that button.
Click at a button.
Oh, should I have clicked this button? Should I have clicked a second button?
Yeah, that one.
This one?
That is the right one. Oh, how do I do this without making me look like I'm craning my neck to look at stream?
I don't think pressing this button is doing anything. Oh, it is doing something. Oh god. Okay, I have two things.
Yes. Yeah, there it is.
Cool. Wow,
wait a
showing my
little bit.
downloads folder on stream. That's a
While you installed NVIDIA drivers?
that was a really
Damn.
risky click right there, to be honest.
Oof. Untitled artwork 36?
That's because I'm too lazy to like name anything in Procreate. So everything in Procreate is just untitled artwork.
Oh, Procreate. That's what we're gonna call it now. Okay.
Yep, I know. How can they just call it Procreate? That's like fucking weird, right? Like, can you imagine if there was like a brand called Breeding,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
breeding.io or like
Adobe acquires Breeding for $2.1 billion.
that's a sensitive topic for some people. Like
That's
Bernie.
true.
Hi Manny. Hi Axiom. Happy birthday, Axiom. Wow. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Emlyn Server says, how is your download folder not a giant mess? I can't keep it tidy. Because it was filtering for ISO files, so there was like nothing in there.
Yeah. I send mine to my desktop, so I have to clean it up, or I just have to keep things full screen so I don't see it.
Delepsy's trying to make a D's nuts joke.
Mm-hmm.
Congratulations.
Well, he got you once with it, so
2 minutes? 2 minutes?
it's fine.
Okay. Tell
Like
Chad.
we can't fuck around for 2 minutes. Okay, well, while this is downloading, this is another hurry up and wait. You can go to GitHub, and we are going to make a repository for programming notes.
Okay.
So that you write
Okay.
down the stuff that we learn
Okay.
and keep track of that.
Yes, sir. Done. Would you also like me to create a local file? Yeah, I'm doing it. Shh. Oh, you want me to do
if
it?
you want, but we're gonna ignore your host machine pretty soon.
Oh, I see. Because we're about to do it all on our VM.
Yep. But for now, we're gonna. Well, how do we want to do this? Yeah, we'll just do it in the VM. Although, I kind of want you to take notes about taking notes. So
I'll just.
yeah, we'll do it in the VM. We'll just wait.
Wait. Do I get to have Visual Studio Code in my VM?
You can, but I'm going to teach you Vim.
Okay. I hate everything you just said. And
You're going to hate it, and I'm going to hate it, and it's gonna be fine.
But you want me to the thing with the insert and then the cancel and then I hate it. I've tried it before.
I hate it too.
No one likes
We
it.
have to learn enough Vim that you can say that you can quit Vim.
Like an insert mode and then the edit mode and then the butthole mode. I don't like it.
And then we'll learn a less annoying text editor. That's also in the terminal.
Okay, but like what if I'm addicted to Visual Studio Code and I don't know how to do anything outside of it?
That's fine.
Okay.
You can use VS Code, but we're gonna learn enough of a terminal editor that if you're dropped on a machine that doesn't have a Windows system, you'll be able to figure things out.
Okay. Do I have to take notes? Can I take notes on my host machine?
You could, but then you won't practice what you're learning.
Oh my god, you're killing me. You're killing me. You're killing. Look, chat agrees that Vim is dumb. Just use Nano.
I know.
I use Vim exclusively. This is a terrible idea. That's Axiom. That's what you sound like right now, Axiom. Professor Anthony is being a dick. Can you imagine if you got a professor that like mandated the method in which you took notes?
Yeah.
Toxic.
But
okay.
after the fact, I would be, oh, okay, this was a useful skill. I'm glad I learned this.
It's still not showing up in downloads, which is very confusing.
Show in folder?
Yeah.
Click at a button?
Oh, it's looking for a VM file.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay, do cancel. Oh, sorry, I told you green.
Today we learned Anthony is colorblind.
It's
Import?
green on my machine.
Yellow? Is it import?
You want new.
New?
You want this circle.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh
Okay, the name is
God.
important because it'll automate some stuff. If you name it Ubuntu 64.
Ubuntu 64, one word?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not 65, but 64. That
Not
folder's
69?
fine. I think 69 would not make it do. Actually, try it. I'm kind of curious what it does.
69.
Does it?
It accepts it, dude.
Thing?
It accepts it.
Oh, send it. Still says it's 64 bit.
No, I don't.
Cool.
I'm not
Ship
gonna
it.
be able to remember that. To be honest, I'll forget instantly.
Okay.
I'll forget instantly. Okay, now you want me to pick the ISO. Oh my god, I did have an ISO in there.
Yep. From yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, install. Next. Expert mode? Am I an expert?
Yeah, well, you're not an expert, but we're going to click expert mode. Whoa, you made it bigger. How did you?
That's my feminine wiles.
Actually, never mind. Go back to simple mode. This is too complicated. I thought this was the other expert mode. Oh, it's going to make you type it in again, too. That's
oh, mother fudger. Okay, Ubuntu 64.
Yep.
Select the ISO.
I thought this was the other mode where it let you pick the number of processors and stuff. We'll get to that in a
Next.
second,
Okay, cool. Unattended guest OS install setup. Okay.
What the?
Do I need a password?
What is this?
You can configure the unattended guest OS install by modifying username, password, and hostname. Additionally, you can enable guest editions install. For Microsoft Windows guests, it's possible to provide a product key.
This is not what I remember.
Should I create a username and password?
Do this. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Make a username.
Anthony.
This is different. They've changed everything.
Teaches
I'm so sorry.
code.
So I would recommend picking a username that is your name and less than 8 characters.
Oh
Less
my
than or
god,
equal to 8
you're
characters.
killing me. Okay, Leo Belly. And then does anyone care? Does this password matter in any way, shape, or form?
You're gonna have to type it in a bunch, and since we're on stream, I would not pick a password that you actually use. I usually use bad space password.
Bad space. Like bad space password?
Like bad space character password.
Not like
It's literally a bad
not like
password.
a password that's like floating in space. That's bad.
Yeah. Utter
I
space bad password.
Okay, I'm gonna do it the way I know how to do it. Okay.
That's a long ass password.
Yeah, don't worry about it. I have like
Okay.
a system for throwaway passwords, you know?
Got
Okay,
it.
well I fucked it up. So never mind.
Yeah. And chat can hear your clickety clacks.
You know, my clickety clacks are indiscernible because I don't type right. Why does it keep not being equal to each other? Am I on drugs? Is it okay?
So we spend
Okay.
20 minutes of juice typing in a password. Perfect.
This is,
Sounds
I
good.
mean, like, I spend a significant amount of time doing CAPTCHA. I feel like Patches the Dipstick is going to be a pillar in my community.
What? Oh, is that who just followed?
I realize there's like no context there for you. Cocaine is a hell of a drug. Look, I've never done cocaine on purpose because if I did cocaine, I would do nothing else until I was dead.
Just because I'm curious, what happens if you click on the green check mark on the right hand side?
Nothing.
Okay, those are just got it.
Okay.
All right.
Domain name?
All right, let's do next then.
Next.
I don't know why they've
Base
changed this.
memory,
This is
4
really annoying.
4
Okay,
megabytes.
we definitely want to change this. Okay, how much RAM do you have on your machine?
16.
Okay, I usually recommend a minimum of 4 gigabytes.
Okay.
I would probably do 6 for your machine. And for CPUs, I usually do slightly less than half, so I would put it at 5 CPUs.
Should I just type in 6,000 megabytes?
Well, let's see what the number actually is.
Oh my, yeah,
It's
it's 6,400.
6144.
Yeah, okay. And then how many CPUs? 2?
Your machine has
So-
12 virtual cores, so I would set it to 5.
5? That's so many virtual cores. Okay,
Yeah, I
next.
usually do n over 2 minus 1.
And over. Can I see? This is the problem with not having notes yet.
Yeah. Well, I have a whole video about this, so.
Too bad. Okay.
Okay, yeah, this is probably worth writing down.
Right? Thank you. And over 2 minus
but I would
1.
make a heading that says
VM specs.
yeah, and tell what n over 2 plus 1 is.
Oh my gosh. Is this real life? Okay, fine.
Also,
Memory.
Your fundraiser is covering up the title.
Well, what's more important, charity or the title?
I mean, charity is pretty important.
And chat's gonna be in the way. Chat, I don't know what to do with you. I think I might just hide you. Get out of here, chat. We don't need you. You all can raid. What are we calling this? CPU, core CPU allocation.
I'm sure. Yeah.
CPU allocation.
Also, maybe it doesn't bother you, but it definitely bothers me. Headers in Markdown, I always put a space after the
Oh my
octothorpes.
god! Why would they even matter? My linter
See,
was
and now
gonna
your
fix
text
it.
editor highlights it. It
Oh
cares
my
too.
god! Oh my god! See, this is the problem: is where I put these notes. I just won't save it yet. I'll just copy.
Yeah.
And is
Yeah.
memory allocation also n over 2 minus 1?
No. I usually just pick something that's greater than 4 gigs.
Greater than 4?
Yeah. And as much as you can afford.
Okay, cool.
I see you instinctively trying to control S over and over.
Silly trying to what? Oh, control S. Yeah,
Control S,
it's like
Control S.
it's actually really, it's actually insane how often I save. Like, it's, I don't know. I was sure had a tweet about this recently. Like, I think it's deep trust issues.
Yeah. Well, from getting fucked by terrible technology. Surely.
Yeah. Create a virtual
Okay,
hard
this
disk
one-
now.
Yeah, you're gonna check the pre-allocate full size. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but it's gonna make it faster later.
Okay.
And you're gonna change the amount. How much free disk do you have on your computer?
Is there a fast way of looking that up?
If
Is it
you
just look at
do
your look? Okay,
Explorer.exe
yeah.
or
Yeah,
whatever.
Explorer. Yeah. I'm on it. I'm on it, buddy.
Figure out how many pirated movies and
So many. Actually, I don't pirate media. Is that fucking weird?
by media do you mean porn?
I mean, first of all, who the fuck pirates porn in this day and age?
Well, people pay for it too.
People pay for porn?
Yeah, you almost
What? Oh, like OnlyFans. I have
No, well-
66 free gigs.
you almost worked at a
Oh, well, no, that's all free. It's all ad supported. People don't pay for porn on Pornhub.
They buy premium accounts, surely.
Axiom says colon is written, W is written into my soul.
It's Vim stuff.
Explorer? I hardly know her.
You're gonna explore :W?
I actually have a shockingly no free space on my computer. I don't know what's using a terabyte, but something is using a terabyte.
Okay, so you only have like 70 gigs free? Holy shit. Okay.
Okay. We can fix this.
Alright, miss, I never download me.
I don't know what it is. I honestly, it's probably all Photoshop files, to be honest. Those things are fucking expensive. Okay, let me, or maybe it's like, I don't know, Node module.
He's probably Node module.
I have like nothing else on this computer other than like Node mods. Okay, what if I clear my download? Oh wait, I can't do that right now. Yo, dude. I have like a shocking number of Photoshop files on my computer. It's probably a lot of that.
What have you been shopping?
Like literally every single art piece I goes through like a Photoshop phase.
Oh, for your Inktober?
Well, for any art that I do.
Oh, true.
Is there like a fast way to clean up some space?
Reinstall Windows.
Honestly, there's like nothing on here that I really care about.
Yeah. So, I mean, we really only need, like, I would recommend like 40 gigabytes minimum for the VM.
Okay.
But if you only have 20 gigs left on top of that, I think your computer's going to be crumbly at you. So we should probably clean up a little bit.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Oh, you know what it could be? Now hear me out. I have a local copy of every stream I've ever done. That could be that.
I mean, I keep those too.
I mean,
oh, you can get 2 free gigs by deleting the second copy of the ISO.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Yeah.
Which is a decent chunk.
Yeah, yeah. You know, I should just like arrange this by size and then
arrange downloads by size, or
yeah, and then delete everything except for this Ubuntu thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I can't remember. Does this computer have a recycle? Do Windows use recycling bins, or did that properly delete this? It did not.
No, that just puts in this recycle bin. Unless you do shift delete.
Oh, there's so much shit in my recycling bin. Holy shit.
The thing you never check for forever.
I don't know. It's like I don't think about space anymore because
yeah, because disk is so cheap.
Yeah.
But also because you're out of it.
Out of it? Out of what?
You filled up your terabyte drive.
Yeah. Okay, just chill out. Just chill out, dude. I don't know why we gotta be judgmental.
Well, I'm not judging. Stuff. I'm just saying. Oh man, I hate the phrase "just saying."
Let chat decide what to delete.
just give chat a chat command.
1 terabyte of butts. Yeah. I mean, how much space do you guys think Node modules generally take?
They're probably like a gig a pop.
Really?
If you install enough stuff.
Yeah.
Like you have a React app, surely you have a few gigs of Node modules.
I mean, can't I just delete all those considering they're on GitHub? And I can just, I probably should make sure that I don't delete my credentials for stuff, though.
Yeah, yeah.
What if I just press this disk cleanup button?
I mean, what could go wrong, right? What does it tell you?
I can clean up 400 megabytes.
Non-zero.
It's half of a gigabyte. It's gonna not help at
I
all.
think we're kind of scraping the bottom of the barrel if that's only
Okay. Let's see how big my videos file is. Honestly, like, I don't know why I keep all of my... Okay, my videos file is only 8 gigs.
What? How?
I don't know. I guess I did a cleanup at some... Dude, I don't know what's taking up so much space. I'm, like, actually dorking out over this.
I actually don't know how to check on Windows.
I don't know how
I know how to do it
either.
on Linux.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
DDelp says Winderstat. Windersat? Windersat.
Hold on. We're checking how much is on my desktop. It's a lot. It's compiling. Winderstat? Oh, that's
Also
the thing.
not working for me. Oh,
I'm
you
not...
gotta download a thing.
Delep speed. I'm not gonna download something additional. Okay, the fact that it's still compiling makes me think it is new node modules. So
Holy shit.
So I think I'm just gonna delete my React folder.
I would just delete the node models inside of it.
Okay. Deal.
That's a lot of files.
It's still compiling.
Well, you have all of this shit on your desktop?
Oh, my desktop is glorious. Are you ready for something? Are you ready for a real treat, chat?
Oh no. You psychopath. You hide desktop icons? Your life is a lie.
Oh man.
Did you ever finish your chess with chat game?
No. I've
Remember
never
when you were really into chess?
I've never finished a single thing in my life. I feel like I'm feeling pretty exposed, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, there's only 16 gigs on my desktop. What's taking up 900 gigs? That's the real question.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Maybe we should figure out this WinSXS. If you have COD installed, it's probably 200 gigs for COD, like Call of Duty?
Oh yeah, I wonder how many... Maybe you should go through your Steam library next.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's probably...
You can delete the System32 folder.
You guys are such trolls. Does Steam tell you how many gigs
I think it tells you.
it's using up?
Library.
Battle.net installed games.
Among Us update queued. Ooh.
System volume information? What does that even mean, dude?
No, don't delete that.
Oh, he's messing with me. I'm being like 100% debated right now.
Oh my god, the Stack Overflow for this is copy and paste this into the JavaScript console. I'm like, nope, not doing that. That seems like a great idea.
Well, you don't want to just copy and paste things without...
Yeah, I'm not just gonna
any
run some
understanding?
arbitrary fucking code that
Isn't
has
it
access
great
to my old
when
machine.
arbitrary code? Okay, I'm like super concerned actually. What is taking up a terabyte of space on this computer? I haven't done anything on this computer. Like literally. I'm freaked out, dude. Tell me to be not freaked out.
I mean, I don't know. It's probably Steam games, like almost certainly.
Okay. Should I just
DDoS told you the path that you can find where they're at, so you
Okay.
can figure out what's the big ones.
Oh, this is good. You can teach me some bash.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I can actually make this big so you guys can read it, unlike the tiniest VirtualBox screen ever. Assuming that my donations are not in the way. Okay, CD.
It's nuts.
program files?
Yeah, so in Git Bash, you can use /c/ as the C drive. This is not useful information unless you're going to be on this.
Wait, /c, what?
Yeah, so
Like
on
that?
normal Linux-based file systems, there is a root, which is the /. There's no concept of drives. So Git Bash maps the C drive to just little c. You can actually see it in the title bar.
It's just
also.
little baby C like that?
Yeah, if you look in the title bar, you can see.
Oh, it's so
like
cute.
you're at C user's mill right now.
Wow. Okay, there's a lot of shit in just C.
Yeah, so now you'll cd into program files.
Okay.
Or program files x86. Which one does it store it in? I don't know. I put my Steam stuff in a custom space. Yeah, Tasty Shrimp is also recommending Winterstat.
It doesn't like spaces.
Yep. So this is another thing about Linux that you're going to learn right now, which is that normally directory names shouldn't have spaces in them, but Windows likes spaces in them. You can turn a bunch of arguments into a single argument by putting quotes around it. There are 2 types of quotes, but it doesn't matter yet. We'll learn the 2 types of quotes later.
Oh, lovely.
We're also going to learn a very important thing right now. Do cd minus just to go back for a second.
I watched the video. I know what this does.
Yeah, that's not the thing I'm teaching you.
Oh, okay.
All right, do cd space and then type a capital P. And then press tab.
Yeah, I did that to get here. But yes, I know all about this.
Oh, well, how did it have a space in it then? Oh, no, you typed it out.
Yeah, I did.
Press
So
tab
like that.
twice.
Yeah, it's not gonna... Yeah, I did that.
It will. Oh. Yours is annoying then. Well, we're gonna use a better shell later that will actually do this right.
As long as there's ambiguity, it won't autocomplete. That's what it is. So
Bash normally will, so I don't know what's going on here. Like normally it would have put in the
like that, see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally it would have put a backslash to escape the space, but for some reason it didn't.
Yeah, what's funny is this is just a bunch of shit that I've actually just picked up from fucking around.
Yep.
So it's kind of cool to see that it's meaningful, I guess.
Yeah, and we'll teach you the mores of it as well.
Okay, so how do I find out the size of this current directory?
So on Linux, you would do du dot, but I don't think that you're gonna get du there, unfortunately.
Okay.
Let me see if there's du on Windows.
How did the free space?
Oh, there is du. Okay, so you can do du space -hs space dot.
What does du stand for?
Disk usage.
Oh, okay.
So press enter.
I did.
Okay, it's figuring it out.
Oh, sorry, I canceled it.
Oh, do du-sh star instead. That one's gonna be more useful.
Oh, should I not have put a space in there?
No, the space is fine.
sh space star?
Yes.
This was insanity.
Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of little things, and there's gonna be a lot of chunk. So hopefully the chunk will show up at the end. Bash notes.
Yeah. That's what we're doing, right?
Yeah. I'm concerned that this command is taking so long.
It's not even doing it. Oh, it's just stopped. Yeah.
I think it's computing. I think it's just slow.
Went to your stream seems okay. I'm glad your audio is working now.
Oh, are people mad about audio?
Max depth? No, just one person. Just one single human being.
Max depth equals 1? Why would that change things?
Okay, I have a dumb question. What the fuck does SH stand for? I feel like I type it in all the time and don't know what it means.
So it depends. It means different things on different things. In this case, it is shorthand for -s and -h, and I don't know what it stands for.
Dash S
Let's
usually
see.
means like save.
-s is summarize, and -little h is human readable. And you can figure that out by calling du -help.
Or man,
Which is
do
usually kind of
you?
a universal way to
I'm
ask
gonna kill
what
this.
do you do. Okay.
Um,
Then we won't know the answer.
if I just delete my Steam apps, will it impact anything?
I wouldn't delete them from there. I would go into Steam and have Steam delete them.
Okay, well, let's see how big Steam is. Let's do it the lazy way.
I don't think Steam shows installed size, unfortunately.
I think
Or
it
at least
does.
I can't find it in my Steam library.
It's already at 400 gigabytes.
Okay, that's where your terabytes and terabytes are.
God damn it, Steam. I don't even play that many games in Steam.
The thing that's on screen right now is begging to differ.
What the hell, dude? It's okay, it's half a terabyte in Steam.
Oh, it does show installed size? Where is it? Uncle-funkalistic booty whap.
Uncle-funkalistic booty whap. Okay, I'm installing everything that I don't actually play.
Fucking everything?
Well, you know, most things.
Yeah.
I play
Keep
like
the important stuff, like
I play like 2
Among Us.
games, you know? I'm not even going to. That's not even useful. Guys, you want to watch me uninstall all my Steam games? Yeah, you do. What the? I don't even know.
Yes.
Is it you? Is What Remains of Edith Finch? Is that like a you thing? Did you tell me to play that game?
Which game?
What Remains of Edith Finch?
Never fucking heard of that game.
Okay, that wasn't you. I don't know who that was. Yeah,
It
get
must have been your
fucked,
other boring
Mass
white
Effect.
boyfriend.
I don't know any other way, man. The only people who've ever liked me in my entire life have been boring white men. What am I supposed to do? Just not date anybody? Final Fantasy. Hi. Hi, Andy. How are you doing? Wow. I'm pretty sure it was mostly in that Mass Effect game. That looked huge.
Steam menu settings downloads Steam library folders.
Yeah, fuck you, Phasmo.
Settings downloads Steam library folders. Oh, that's kind of useful. Oh, so then you can figure out which ones are the chunky ones and delete those. So we really
Totally.
need some space. We don't need to clear up everything.
Everything's going away. I've literally never played Roller Coaster Tycoon Deluxe.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna uninstall Civ. I'm not a monster. Okay. I think we're good. I play Remnant, Rescue Brain, and Stardew Valley. Let's check again. How's it looking?
My smallest game is probably the one I play the most.
Which game is that?
FTL.
Oh. I've never played that game, but I've watched other people play it. It looks pretty exciting.
It's
actually.
fun. I think you would hate it.
What? Why does people just assume shit about me and it's just so rude and I don't...
Melly Bean, I think you would play like you would get through the first world and then you would die and you'd be like, fuck this game. How am I supposed to get to world 8?
Oh, yeah. Okay, now I have 250 gigabytes free.
Okay, perfect. All right, so let's set your VM size to 50.
We can move forward in the actual thing? Okay.
Yep.
How exciting. How fucking exciting. Okay, 50. Next.
Yep. And we have checked the pre-allocate full size. And you can click finish.
Okay. Now what do we do?
Now we wait a little bit while it does the slow part. So this is where I was going to have you set up your GitHub repo, and we can actually commit on the GitHub website for now.
Why can't I just
you would
commit
like.
here?
You can do that too. Yeah.
Commit in the GitHub website? I've never done that before. I've only done it from Bash or Terminal.
Okay, then we'll learn a new thing. Let's go to the website then.
I'm ready. What do I do?
This is the like lowest tech way to do this. There's a new file button there somewhere. Yeah. Under the quick setup box, there's creating a new file. The big blue thing. Yeah, it's fucking hard to find. Just use Control F.
New file. What?
Yeah, there you go.
Whoa, GitHub has an editor?
Yeah.
What?
There's actually 2 editors. You can actually open VS Code in the browser if you want.
How do I do that?
So change the com to dev in your URL.
The com to dev?
Yeah.
Shut the front door. This is literal magic.
Yeah.
And then wait, how do I like add and commit and shit?
It'll do that for you.
Shut the front door again. What? What?
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Whoa. Okay. This is like, how do you want to do this? Like episode 1? Or just general note? Just one gigantic note file?
So my brother did one gigantic note file. I don't recommend that. I would make the notes file named after the technology that you're describing. That way you can find them later, rather than being like, where the fuck is this?
So like I created bash.md and then like a vim or a linux.md.
Yeah.
Wait, now it wants me to just find a local fucking file.
Oh, it probably wants you to upload something.
Oh,
that's
I see.
weird. Wait, what did you click on?
New file?
Oh. I can't see the drop down because you're on your razors.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Also, Monsoon's here. You didn't say hi.
Hi, Monsoon. Woo! Wow, I'm such a big fan of these 2 wonderful people. My goodness, I love them. Okay, every time Monsoon stops by the stream, you have to go, woo! Sorry, Anthony. Please.
Woo! Like that?
No, you gotta put the hands up. Woo!
Oh.
Woo!
Like
Good
that?
job. Yeah, you did great. 10 out of 10. Just remember, this is all for charity. Woo! Hi, Coder. Hello. Hi, Neptune. Hi, Andy. Hi, Debbie.
Wait, does it not let you create a blank file in the web view?
No. See,
That's
the thing
so
is,
stupid.
you say like,
click open remote. Oh, it's because this is the first time you've run this. Yeah.
Open.
Click, remove the last URL component in your browser. I think it's because it doesn't know what to do with that. So now it should open up this repository. What? Maybe click open repo. I don't ever use this thing. It's supposed to
I don't
work really
either.
well.
Who would do this?
People have claimed this is the next coming, and
the next coming. I mean, maybe because
wrong.
Everybody has a local copy.
Click open remote repository. See what that does.
Oh.
It might be mad just because it's empty. So we might have to make a file in the old shitty GitHub editor, and then we can edit it here.
Okay, let's try. I've never done things this way. Chat, I suggest you don't do things this way. This is stupid, and I hate it. Bash.md. Yeah, I said it.
Oh, so I didn't actually move my camera details. This over is usually just cropped. Juice just didn't crop it.
What's the question?
D-Nels was mentioning that my camera is showing my window because I have a window in my room.
Yeah, well,
but it's just because chat usually doesn't see.
What's wrong with your window?
Nothing, but this chat usually sees like from my arm over.
Oh.
Rather than the rest of the stuff.
Oh, cool.
What is this black line? Oh, never mind. I'm just tripping.
I think this is the closest our plushies have been in so long.
Right?
I know. They probably miss each other. Oh.
Yeah. They used to bed together.
They used to bed together? That's such a creepy way of saying that. Oh my god. You sound like an old man in like a fucking Jane Austen novel. They used to a bed together.
Do you have Zane?
Yeah.
Because then we can get Zach and Zane.
Yeah, hold on. I don't like to show my butt on stream. So we're gonna go to
Are you really gonna go to a be right back screen to
No.
pick up a plushie?
I'm just gonna...
You're just gonna hide your face.
I don't want to show my butt on... I don't know, dude!
You want to give that one away for free? Just feet, no butts.
What if someone... Yeah, what if someone watches me for the first time and all they see is just butt? Oh my god, what is making that terrible sound?
It's not me.
I think that was the virtual machine.
Plushie's butt. Do I have a blahage? I don't have a blahage.
Oh my god, this is so big.
Yeah.
Actually, you can see how big Anthony and I, relative to each other, are based.
Yeah. Relative to the plushie for scale.
Yeah, because this is the same exact plushie.
I think because Amazon sent it twice.
Juice never gives us the sugar. Okay.
Hey, what's up, J-Phils?
Whoa, is this it? Is this my virtual machine?
That is your virtual machine. Holy
Oh
shit,
my
it's
god.
starting.
How do I make it bigger and not
We'll get that.
fucking tiny as shit?
We'll get that eventually. It starts out without the special things that allow it to get big. That's kind of weird.
You're talking about puberty? Guys,
They're technically called guest editions. But
Stop. What's wrong with you guys? Yes, we have matching plushies. We're that adorable. From between California and Michigan, we have matching plushies. Okay, cool. Yeah. So Bash MD, cool.
Oh, you have a file now. Oh, yeah. Sick.
Let's see if I can make a new file though. Okay, that opened up a new tab, obviously. Ah, yeah, you're right. It was just mad.
Yeah, yeah. Damn it, GitHub, fix your shit.
I'm probably gonna need like a better methodology of storing this kind of stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that.
Yeah.
We're gonna hopefully have you make commits and stuff in the terminal. Actually, how do you make git commits now? Do you do it in the terminal?
Yeah, always in the terminal. I didn't even know you could do it not in the terminal.
Oh, well, we're gonna have to figure out how to do that now because
I don't think you understand. All of my bash knowledge, this is gonna like out me pretty badly, comes from having dated a systems administrator.
Okay. Well, then you'll probably know more than
This is so embarrassing. I don't like how much of my tech knowledge comes from like just like absorbing knowledge from people I've dated. Anyway,
as if that isn't the title of the stream, right?
Shut your mouth, bits. Your mouth, bits. Shut them. No. So
this was your idea.
They were very insistent that I do everything in Bash from everything I've learned from them, which is I think
good.
Pretty normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, OAB Dev and the Kexat for the follows. Wow, wow, wow. New people. Welcome to my stream. This is Anthony Writes Code.
All you have to know about Kexat is they're French.
They're French.
And anything that you say, just French.
You want me to do it in a bad French accent?
Yeah, you can do a bad French accent too.
Do you do that to them? And they're not offended? Oh, okay.
I mean, I just say je sens and
the French. This is so mean. Can you imagine if I went to someone's stream and I'm like, I'm Chinese, and they did like a bad Chinese accent at me?
Yeah, but that's racist. French is just funny.
Le bel Jason. JavaScript. For some reason, whenever you say Jason, it reminds me of poisson, which means like French. Oh no, it means fish. Les poissons.
Fish, yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
Now you gotta say GitHub with a French accent.
GitHub? What?
Okay, I think to commit on this VS Code browser thing, I think you click that 1.
The 1?
There's a 1 on the left.
Like
There's
the
an
line?
icon, a notification icon.
You're messing with me right now.
I am not.
This?
I'm losing my mind.
Source control?
Yes. Yeah.
Stage changes? So like add? Get add? No.
I have no fucking idea. Yeah, it's staging is get add.
Okay, this is get add.
And then I think you type a commit message in the box on the top.
Message? Oh yeah. Adding VM notes.
I've literally never used this.
This is the worst thing
now
I've
what?
ever seen. Now what? This commit and push?
Do you like shift enter
Oh my
or
god.
something?
You click this.
Oh, I
Oh.
can't see this because it's behind the... You should put the fundraiser on the right-hand side.
Hold on. I'm actually going to quickly just take a quick note of the desktop ISO and the virtual box.
Okay.
Virtual box. Wow. Ubuntu desktop IO.
This usually uses VS Code.
Wow. Ubuntu desktop ISO here. Okay, cool. Which editor do you usually use? Okay, this is not nice. I feel bad. In fact, I have never eaten omelette de fromage. It's literally like the accent from that Dexter's Lab episode. Juicebox is going to be on 2204 on
It's
stream.
true.
But what does that mean?
It's true.
What's 2204?
So Ubuntu does what's called calendar versioning. You could
Oh, that's
maybe
cool.
write this down. Calendar versioning is something worth knowing.
Okay, it's
Where
really
they
hard to type.
number their
with.
releases based on the date.
Ubuntu does calendar versioning.
And 2204 is therefore 2022, and then the fourth month, which is January, March, April. So this is the most recent release that has just come out. My stream
Cool.
is still using 2004 because
That was
It takes a lot of work
2
for me to
years
move over.
ago. It was 2.5 years ago, Anthony.
yeah,
You know what's
yeah.
so much better is calendar versioning now that you've said it out loud. Because, you know what I mean? You're like, when was Monterey?
Right,
You
yeah.
know? Or like, when was
10.16.2.
Jelly Bean? When was
Yeah.
Oreo? You know, it's just like, I don't know. It just seems, you know, good for
Yeah.
you, Ubuntu. Good for
The
you.
problem with calendar versioning, though, is it doesn't communicate whether changes occurred or not. But, mishmash. Some people love Semver, some people love Calver. I just recognize that they all suck and picked one.
Okay, I'm still removing Wogerman.
What?
That's what it says, removing Wogerman.
Oh, and W Spanish.
Is there really no way to make this bigger, though?
It will get bigger soon. You just pop some pills, it'll get bigger, I promise. Did I tell you about what showed up in my mailbox?
Was it make your PP larger ad?
No, it was worse than a make your PP larger ad.
Make your PP smaller?
No, it was a make your PP larger pills.
Like full on pills?
Full on pills.
Wait, are you talking about, okay, important question. Was it the temporary make your PP larger or the
Yeah.
slowly over time make your PP
Yeah,
larger?
it was the temporary.
Temporary. Was it for
So
your
let me-
old like owner of the
former
house?
owners.
Okay.
So let me tell you about the funny stuff that has shown up in my mailbox. So it's voting season. It's politics season. The wife has been getting lots and lots, or the wife, the wife that used to live here.
I
has
like
been
the idea that you call your wife the wife.
Yeah. Oh,
Like you're-
yes, the wife.
The
wife
old
that I
ball
don't
and
have.
chain.
The right hand has gotten.
I thought you were a
Sorry.
left-hander.
It's both switch off. You know whatever. you need.
What? Switch hitter? I
Why not?
understand. Why?
Okay.
Why-
Anyway, the wife has been getting Democrat related.
Does this
No.
end in a divorce? Did they get divorced?
They're still married as far as I know.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And the husband has been getting like alt-right shit.
wow.
Like not even like the normal Republican flyers, like the crazy fucking shit.
I mean, my parents were like that. My mom growing up was a Democrat. My dad was a Republican. I mean, this was before the like insane polarization of our country.
That's true. It's true. Yeah, it has gotten a lot wilder since then.
It was actually really crazy. My dad used to like gaslight her and be like, "She's a woman with a soft heart. That's why she likes the pores." That's what my dad.
Sorry, I was with you until you're like, the pores.
I mean, this is me making an impression of my dad. This is not me.
I understand that.
Yeah. Okay, it's still downloading packages, by the way. Just a quick update.
But also, the other stuff that's shown up in the mail is erectile dysfunction pills and a whole case of wine.
Oh my god, this is like you're like a couples counselor unpacking all the baggage in this marriage.
I don't know why they didn't do mail forwarding. Like, I mean, the wine's fine, but I don't want any of the rest of this.
Well, I mean, did you try the pills?
No.
Oh, okay. So I heard this.
I feel like it would have lasted more than 4 hours if you know what I mean.
Have you ever heard of like the challenge where you take like a boner pill and a sleeping pill?
What?
See how many times you could jerk it before you pass out.
What?
You haven't heard of this challenge? I mean, it's very dangerous.
What are you California kids doing?
I mean, like, I've never done it. I can't take a boner pill. Like, I mean, I could. It would probably just, like, increase blood flow. I don't know. People are so offended in stream. They're like, what the fuck? But yeah, see, Trevor gets it. Viagra and Ambien. See where you end up. Wait, what? Earlier, me and Anthony were like setting up for stream and we were being hilarious. And I was like, stop making jokes. Save it for stream. I was like, stop being funny. I'm not offended. I'm impressed. Sleep for 8 hours in the morning would. Oh my god, that'd be so uncomfortable. What if you like rolled over?
No, it happens. It sucks.
Oh my god. Wake up softer than a plushie. Oh my gosh.
Man, you roll over and it hurts and wakes you up. Like,
This plushie's too big for my lap. That's why I always pick the tiny version, the mini version.
I can get my mini one too.
Always. I love that we have matching plushies. Are you talking about Leopold?
Reginald? Leopold?
His name is
I
Leopold.
don't even remember the canonical name.
The
now.
canonical name is Leopold, but you refuse to call him that.
Uh,
I don't know why. Anthony Big Dick Satilli? Is that what your middle name is?
I mean, it's actually not far off from that.
Why do I know your middle name? I forgot. I thought it's like Benedict. Oh, good dick.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, his middle name is Benedict, which I'm pretty sure actually means well-spoken, but he likes to think it means good dick.
You're the one who said that. I didn't say that.
Yeah, you were so flattered by that you're like, yeah, it means good dick. In reality, it means well-spoken.
Yeah, but usually people associated with either cumbersnatch or traitors.
Cumbersnatch? What's that?
Benedict Cumbersnatch?
His name is
Benedict
Cumberbatch.
Oh, I know.
Oh, okay. I was like, there's no way there's a famous person who has the word cum and snatch in their name. Like, that's too much, man. That's too much.
Have you not watched a Cumbersnatch video?
Cumberbatch, right? Benedict Cumberbatch, is that his name?
There's like a whole.
That's the most
like,
British name I've ever seen.
I feel like there's a whole like meme about but Bumble Snuff Crimpy Snitch.
What?
There's a whole Tumblr thing.
There's
about
like
this.
at some point when you add enough stuff, it just sounds like one of them could possibly be an ethnic slur, and you should stop. Like,
True.
Narla? Okay. Wow, fuck. What password did I pick?
Bannister Crumble Bench.
Bannister Crumble Bench is pretty good.
Buttercup Cumbersnatch.
Okay, I'm in Ubuntu.
Snickerdoodle Cabbage Patch.
Oh,
okay, cool.
skip.
Has it booted for the first time?
Yeah.
Right. We're actually streaming. We're not just fucking around. Okay, wait. Don't just press next on everything.
Okay. Whoa. Connect your online accounts.
Go all the way back. No,
this is the beginning.
Okay, good. Skip that. Yeah.
I was
Skip that. Okay.
I was reading it. I wasn't just blindly pressing next. I'm a very fast reader.
You just said yes to send info to Canonical, so maybe I don't trust you just pressing next.
You can install Visual Studio Code.
We're gonna not do that yet.
Damn. Okay, how do I make it bigger? I know you keep thinking that's a dirty joke, but...
Okay, so now you're gonna click the Devices menu up at the top. It's not in the VM, it's out of the VM.
Yeah, I figured that out.
And then you're gonna click Install or Insert Guest Edition CD Image.
Use the pill.
I threw them out.
Well, are you gonna make me use Babby? Be honest.
No. If you want to use it, you could. I'm gonna teach you Vim, and I'm gonna teach you Nano.
If you want to use it, make a Babby. No, guys, that's not how that works.
No.
I don't know how to make it
Trash...
bigger. Do I put them up the ding dong? Yep, David, put them up the ding dong.
Do you remember when Trash made his article?
Okay. Trash published a Medium article about React hooks, and he accidentally used a stock image of an IUD.
Because he just Googled hook and pasted in the first image.
It was like...
You have no idea.
Oh, I want to do this off stream.
Do you think it's still up?
I don't think so. I think it was this exact stock image right here. It was this stock image. This exact one. It's like, let's talk about React hooks.
I think the best part is like no one fucking told him until
it's like tell me
you were in his chat being like, bruh.
Oh my god. Oh, tell me you're like a bad husband without telling me you're a bad husband.
Or he has lots of kids.
That's true. That's true. This is no. The men in chat are like, what is that? It's something you stick up your hoo-ha to not have babies. That's the end of that sentence. That's the most succinct version of an idea I can think of. Can you take comedy medal for that? That's like my favorite programming story of all time.
I don't know, the sympathy trash dev story is pretty good too.
What's the sympathy trash dev story?
You were there.
What happened?
Wait, did you miss this entire thing? So,
this happened during TwitchCon?
Yeah, during TwitchCon.
Okay.
So Sympathy shows up to the bonfire, and she's going around like saying hi to everyone. And Chow and Trash Dev are standing there, and she goes up to Chow and is like, "Hey, Trash, it's nice to meet you."
Oh yeah. I mean, that's a really good compliment for Trash because Chow looks great.
Yeah.
Chow's like really in shape.
It's the other way around.
Oh, that's a really big insult then. Oh no. Okay, what do I do?
Oh, did you click the insert thing?
I did. What
Okay, click on the CD looking thing in the bottom left.
The CD looking thing? Oops. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
okay.
And then, oh, what the hell? Why didn't it just auto run? Double click on autorun.sh. I think that'll do the right thing.
What does SH stand for in this?
Shell.
Oh, like it's a bash
Okay,
shell script? It's like a shell script?
Yeah, it's a shell script. Okay, so this did not do what we want to do, so instead we're going to open up a terminal.
Okay.
And you should be familiar with the terminal. We're going to do Control-Alt-T to open a terminal.
Yes. Hello.
Oh, we got to be outside of the editor, sorry.
What?
So just close out of the text editor thing. Damn, why have you had so many weirdos in your chat today?
That weird. That was
here.
that weirdo was David Chong.
Oh.
He's in timeout for being fucking weird. I
You
don't
had like a spammer earlier.
He like actually can't be a normal person on my chat, and I have no idea why. But that's like one of my best friends in the entire world. He just cannot be normal in my chat. I have no idea what his problem is.
Well, I mean, he's not normal in real life either.
I know, but for some reason, like in the context of who he is, it's like kind of charming. But on in text, he's just like a fucking weirdo creep. It really makes me wonder, like, how many. Okay, what do you want me to do? You want me to leave this text out there?
Close out of gedit. So just click the X and say no when it tells you to save. And then click X again.
Okay. You want me to do Control-Shift-T, right?
Control-Alt-T.
That's what happened. Well, this looks like your brand.
It does, kind of. Although the colors are a little bit different. All right, you are going to... Shit, I gotta figure out where this is. CD...
Are you ever going to tell me how to make it look bigger? I don't think chat can read this.
Yeah, no, that's what we're doing. That's literally what we're doing right now.
Okay.
CD/media.
Okay.
And then tab a bunch of times.
And O-tab.
And then press enter.
Okay.
And then you're gonna do /autorun.sh.
/autorun.sh.
Yes. Okay, cool. And now it should just work.
Okay, so is this the image you told me to download or something?
So the image I told you to download earlier is what has booted you into this operating system here.
That makes sense.
And now what we are doing is installing
the pills.
another thing that comes along with it. What are you giggling about?
We're just saying give it the pills if you want it to be bigger.
We are giving it the pills. Yeah, we are actually giving it the pills.
Okay, go on.
So now we are installing what's called guest editions. This is so that VirtualBox, the computer inside the computer can talk to the computer outside of the computer to make it bigger. That's basically what guest editions is.
Oh, I see.
It's so that the inner operating system knows how to integrate with VirtualBox. Doesn't it need GCC and Perl? Some reason it didn't. But I also think we did the non-minimal install, so yeah. There was a checkbox at some point, and we probably clicked the wrong button, which is fine. Okay, so now you can press enter, and we're gonna restart the computer.
Okay. Is it
and
really
then it'll be bigger.
obvious how to do that?
I usually click the button in the top right. There's a way to do it in the terminal, but I think it's shutdown -R, but we'll do this.
I'm not gonna lie. This is probably the safest way to actually stream.
Inside a virtual machine?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I do it.
Because then you probably like get the chances of you leaking personal information is like significantly lower. You can like wipe it at the end of every fucking stream if you want to, right?
Yeah. I have basically no personal info inside my VM except for my SSH key.
I'm immediately seeing all the benefits of the Anthony method. Okay, is this gonna make it bigger?
So now you should be able to drag the corner and
yeah,
get bigger.
Yeah, it's so big. Wow, we didn't even need the
Nice.
pills.
Did it just crash?
Yeah, it crashed.
Fuck.
Maybe it did need the pills. Okay.
Oh.
I think when
Is
it gets to
really
a certain
mad if you make it...
size.
That's so
Oh, wait.
stupid.
Maybe
It
it's
doesn't let you
certain
go bigger
aspect
than that.
ratios.
Oh, I know that it is. Okay. Yeah, make it smaller again, and then we're gonna shut down the machine, and then we're gonna change some stuff. Yeah, my bad. We gotta give it some. Yeah, we gotta give it some pills.
Okay,
It's
here's
true.
a cold shower. Got it. I made it smaller again. And
Okay,
then,
so you're gonna just shut down.
why can't we have a normal conversation without like a ton of innuendo? What the fuck is wrong with us? I can't even like.
You know the answer. You know the answer to that.
Cause you're a pervert. How do I close this like side thing? Hello?
Oh, click the little X's.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you gotta make it smaller, and we gotta shut it down, and then we're gonna change some settings, and then we're gonna start it up, and then we can hopefully make it bigger.
Power off?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm really annoyed because they moved the power off button. They switched the place of the power off and the logout button between the last version and this version. So I clicked the wrong button over and over.
I do that too. I hate muscle memory issues.
Yeah. Is that why you're still on Windows 10?
I don't like change, dude. I'd still be on fucking XP if I could. Like,
I tried to boot XP the other day because I was trying to build some old software that I have.
mhm.
It's so hard to run XP in the year of our Lord 2020.
2022.
Okay, so click on settings.
Oh, I double clicked on it.
Oh, well, you're gonna have to shut it down again.
I'm telling you, muscle memory, dude.
Yeah, it's true, I should check my brother's notes to figure out what I taught him at the same time so that I can teach you the same thing as well.
I mean, do you like the way you taught your brother? Do you feel like it was successful?
We got to day 6. Oh wait, no, we got further than that.
Wait, you only did 6 days of teaching?
Yeah, and then he knew enough to just
Holy
rock
shit.
it.
Holy shit, Anthony. You could sell this as like a... In 6 days, I can make you a programming wizard!
I mean, we did it over the course of like 4 weeks, but we only did like 6 sessions.
Okay, I'm here.
My brain has this like messed up affinity for the word succession.
Because it has the word suck in it?
Because it sucks session. Okay, click settings.
Like it's a session for sucking?
Yeah.
Wait, you think I'm just gonna let that go? That's such a...
Well, like, and a thing that people say all the time is like,
Okay,
oh, it happened in quick
you're
succession.
the problem. It's not me. You're the problem. That's why there's so much innuendo in this stream, is because you can't even say the word succession without getting bonked.
No, it's because people say in quick succession a lot. But my brain is just like, haha, quick succession.
You're like the person who giggles every time someone says like titmouse.
Titmouse, what's that?
That's a type of mouse.
Oh.
With titties, I guess.
Well, I mean, there's a clit mouse on the. Like,
what? You
ThinkPad.
can't say that word.
Why not?
You can't just. It's called. What are those called? Nubs?
Sorry, the clitoris mouse. My bad.
Oh my god. I guess it is a medical term. You know, David Chong, who is temporarily timed out from my channel for being a fucking weirdo,
Yeah. Should maybe get untimed out and I should get timed out.
also
instead.
calls it the clip mouse or the clip bumper.
Wait, that's the canonical name.
It's not canonical. What? What does that even mean? Okay, what am I doing?
I bet you could find somewhere
Display?
official ThinkPad documentation that calls it that.
Is it
Yeah,
display?
Crank that video memory all the way up to the top.
Yeah, we've got a new graphics card.
And then check the enable 3D acceleration button.
Yeah, let's accelerate this in 3 dimensions.
Click on the drop down of the graphics controller just because I'm curious.
Vim's vagina, V-box vagina, V-box vagina.
All right, Miss. You're the bonk one.
What? Okay,
sure.
you can't look at the word VGA and think of anything else.
Yeah,
No
well, some
women
of
were
us-
harmed in the making of this mouse.
Could you imagine?
No, I could not imagine. It's weird that anyone imagined that. Pick one.
Just press escape. We'll just deal with the default. I think the default's the right one.
I'm pressing OK. VM GPU needs to be bigger. Oracle fault limit.
What? Just click OK.
Okay. Turn it back
So
on.
this should hopefully allow it to be bigger.
Gigantic. Are you an Asian? Wait, why did
Sorry, I
you?
wasn't fast enough to time him out.
Why did you time them out? I mean, it's just kind of a funny question. Oh, there is a command Asian.
I mean, if subtle racism is funny, sure. Yeah. Hi, girl. Are you Asian?
I mean, can you just imagine that happening in real life? Just going up to a stranger, be like, "Are you Asian?" Can you imagine if I just went up to every stranger and then took a guess at their ethnicity?
I mean, a lot of people will be like, "So where are you from?" No, where are you really from?
Yeah, I like to play the game. Ask me that question.
You want me to ask?
Yeah,
you
ask me the
question?
question. I want to show you the game I play.
So, where are you from?
I'm from California.
No, like, where really are you from?
Oh, the Bay Area. Like I was born in Oakland, but I actually kind of grew up in the East Bay in general.
Oh, but where did you come from before that?
Oh, I was born there.
Or where's your daddy from?
My dad's also from California.
Oh,
Yeah.
where's his daddy from?
Ah, China. Yeah, it's even more fun when I go on my mom's side because my mom's like third generation. So I'm like,
From
mom's from
Michigan."
Michigan. And then like my grandfather was a U.S. citizen too. That's pretty funny though.
Okay,
Wow.
so you should be able to make it bigger now. Oh, we got Chris here.
Chris, I'm such a big fan. Wow. Chris. Hi. That's
Whoa,
it.
it's so big now.
That's what I said.
Okay, so welcome to your brand new computer.
Oh my god, it's new and shiny.
Okay, so I wrote down a few things from my brother here. Oh, I talked about what a Linux machine is and where it came from. Do you care about the history of why it's called Linux?
Yeah, I do. Is it because
Okay.
Linus Torvald?
Yes. So basically, I don't even know the full details of this. A long time ago, there was a system called Unix. You texting?
Okay.
Miss, I'm gonna take away your phone. I'm gonna scroll
Okay.
through your gallery and send the photo to your first contact.
I want to talk to Chris. Wait, which photo? Dude, you should not scroll through with Julian's photos. That's how you get...
Arrested?
Yeah. It's like not... That's not a safe thing to... First of all, scrolling through anyone's photos is not safe. I do not
Yeah.
have any dirty photos on my phone because, you know, why would you do that? That's so dangerous to have on your phone.
Yeah.
But it's very dangerous. I don't know. Don't
I
keep
have
news on
anything
your
on my
phone,
either.
everybody. Keep it in like a
Um,
thumb drive that you keep in a sock drawer or a jar.
A jar. So where's your jar, Melly Bean?
Reddit has ruined my brain. I can't. You know what? Fuck you, Reddit. I can't even say the word jar anymore without. Okay. I'm so glad that kids have TikTok nowadays because Reddit was not a good place to grow up.
Dude, neither was like anything that came before that.
Oh no! were you around for like the board.com era? The rotten.com era?
The like internet forum era?
Yeah.
I
GeoCities
wasn't on
made me a man.
Dude, actually GeoCities, yeah. I learned all about frame breaking and like weird JavaScript hacks.
Do you want to
I
know
remember dig.com.
the first time
was
I
once on
learned, the very first time I learned any CSS whatsoever?
the MySpace.
Yeah, I wanted to make my MySpace mint green.
It's a choice.
It was like 2002. I don't know.
I wrote my first internet worm by accessing MySpace.
Ooh. I was in the BBS era. I don't even know what that is. Big booty.
At least you didn't do
Site?
4chan, right?
I never 4chan. My brother 4chan'd though, which was very upsetting. Every time he
Yeah.
had like a terrible take, I knew exactly where it came from. I was like, 4chan. Give me my brother back. He was so cool in high school.
Bulletin board systems. Yeah, forums. That's basically what we're talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Man, I remember when Dig died too. I liked Dig. I felt Reddit was worse than Dig. But yeah, that's the way things go. So you were talking about creepy teachers. I had a creepy teacher in high school. I think it was middle school.
Male or
Middle school.
Woman or man?
It was a man.
Mm-hmm.
He would always wear a trench coat to school.
What, like in class?
Like in class, yeah.
Okay, that's
And-
no, sorry. That's all you need to say. That's immediately suspicious. What? Whose like primary clothing option is a trench coat all the time?
Yeah. And he would offer to tie people's shoes
Oh my gosh.
all the time.
Oh my gosh.
Uh
Oh my.
and he would call girls in our class Cupcake.
Ooh. Ugh.
And don't know what else happened. But I think that's enough to indict someone.
That's I had a teacher in the second grade who used to she used to incentivize kids being allowed to brush her hair for an hour. Yeah, she'd be like, if you're a good girl, you get to brush my hair for an hour during class. And then like the kids would just be really into it and be like, oh, I get to brush her hair.
Ah, and you can paint my fence too.
Yeah, I mean, that's fucking weird, right? Like
Yeah,
having a bunch
yeah.
of children brush your hair every day.
I'll even let you sniff my hair too.
There's a bunch of like small things like that I was like, huh. Yeah, that's fucking weird.
Yeah.
She also
Yeah.
used to call people of color chocolate colored. Yeah.
Oh.
And there was there were a couple of black kids in my class that were like, I'm 7, but I know that's not right. They're like,
What the fuck?
I'm a little
this girl sounds
kid.
white as hell.
but there's nothing. I feel like there's something off about this. And I remember one time she was like, is anyone here Chinese? I was like, oh no. I am 7 years old, so I would like to please my teacher. So I raised my hand, and she was like,
Ooh, you want to please your teacher,
I mean,
the one that wants you to comb her hair.
she was like, what do you have for dinner, like every night? And I was like,
Hendies?
I was like, cheese? I literally said cheese. I was such a fat kid. Oh my god. I was like... And she was like, no, like when you have Chinese food, what does it come with? And I was like, rice? And she was like, yes. And then we learned a song called the Picking Rice song, which was a song in broken everyone who doesn't understand what a microaggression is, take notes.
This is not microaggression. This is just blatant racist.
And the song was picking rice, not much fun, work all day in burning sun, never stop, never sleep, so we can have rice to eat. That was the lyrics to the song. This is a macroaggression. Yeah. This was my second grade teacher, everybody. She was super racist.
Holy
it's true.
shit.
Anyway.
That is kind of fucked.
That was my racist teacher.
Okay, cool. Right,
She
so
sang
as I was
y'all
saying-
a slave song. She taught us a slave song. I don't think you understand. Anyway.
I'm actually kind of surprised that none of the kids went home and were like, my teacher called me chocolate, and then had her ass beat.
This was like in the 90s in the fucking suburbs. What do you think would happen, dude? Like, what do you think would happen? I don't know. It's tough times for sure.
Yeah. Taught them a slave song and made them sing it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit's fucked.
Okay, where were we?
Okay, yeah. So I was talking about sort of history of operating systems and stuff. So
Do you want me to take notes on this?
yeah.
Yeah.
My brother's notes for this are kind of funny, but you don't have to take the same notes that my brother did. Okay.
Linus Torvald was a man.
Is that the browser version of this?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So a
Was a
long time ago, there
man.
was an operating system called Unix.
I know about Unix. Yes.
Yes, and the way that I think about Unix is it's kind of the base idea that a lot of other operating systems took away from. I know I'm not quite precise about this, but this is the way that I think about it. And so a few things kind of spun off from the Unix basis. The more popular ones that are still around today are BSD and Linux. Are kind of the two big ones. BSD is kind of the more, I don't know, people think of it as the more free one, or at least the more democratized one. And Linux is Linus's brainchild, and the related things are on there. One popular BSD that
Wait,
you
hold
probably deal with more than anyone else is this fancy thing that Apple calls Mac OS, which is technically a BSD variant. Oh yeah, you just indent spaces. Yep.
Thank you. Democratize? Got it. Understood. Linus Torvalds.
But people will go to war over their operating system and flavor of choice, and I don't know. I find that the BSD people are very nice, but they're also very aggressive about trying to get you to use BSD. Yeah, my brother wrote down that BSD became macOS, which is not quite right, but macOS is a derivative of BSD.
Linus Torvald was a man. Got it.
He fucked a supercomputer. I think it originally started as just like a pet project to see if
You called it a love child.
Yeah, I mean,
Linus Torvald
sure.
is a man. Thanks,
Okay.
Irel.
Okay, maybe my brother's notes aren't as wild as yours then.
What? My notes are great.
Okay, and the other thing about Linux is there are many distributions of Linux, which are you can kind of think of them as like, there are many ice creams, but people prefer their particular ice cream.
And Ubuntu is pretty popular.
Yeah, we are using Ubuntu. Some other popular ones are Arch Linux, Fedora. I don't know. Those are kind of, in my mind, those are the big three. And the meme is that people that use Arch Linux always want to tell you that they use Arch Linux. They're kind of like the vegans of or the CrossFitters or the what other annoying things are there?
Debian gang?
Yeah, so Ubuntu is a derivative of Debian, and Debian is also a Linux distribution. And the reason that they're kind of called Linux distributions is they all reuse the same kernel. And the kernel is kind of like the base layer of the operating system. It does all the icky hardware and network and file system stuff.
Chunky, what is wrong with you? Mommy juiceboxhero using Ubuntu 22.04.1. It's jammy jellyfish using
So
this.
that's actually jammy jellyfish is actually on topic, and that's actually the next line of my brother's notes.
Okay, so jammy jellyfish isn't a creepy thing he's doing because
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
I can never tell
So-
with Chunky because his name is Chunky Lover.
Well, and Chunky also called you mommy, so
Yeah, that immediately like.
you completely glossed over that the first word was mommy, and you were like, jammy jellyfish? That's fucking weird.
Mommy is
Not
also
the-
very weird.
Juiceboxhero.
No, that's not what people say when they call me mommy, dude.
Mommy juiceboxhero. Hey,
Hi,
little
True
mommy.
Boo.
Oh no, True, you've come at a terrible
Hi, True
time.
Boo. True gets infinite kisses. Infinite. Girl, give me that
Oh.
Campbell chicken soup. What? Okay. What is jammy jellyfish?
Okay, so Ubuntu names all of their releases an adjective and an animal. And they usually go in alphabetic order and then wrap around.
It's a what in an
So, like-
animal?
What's that?
It's a what in an animal?
An adjective.
Jammy is the shittiest adjective ever.
There's not too many J's.
Oh,
They
I
already
see.
use jaunty.
Jaunty,
Which is
jealous,
Maybe not a.
a jealous jellyfish.
Mm.
It can't
So
be a
the problem
funky
with that
leopard.
is-
True, it has to be like a funky.
They have to be the same letter.
What the fuck starts with F?
A fucky. Wait. An animal.
A funky fox, yeah.
Yeah.
A sexy seal.
Well, the previous one was called focal fossa.
Okay, they're fucking stretching here. Those are
They
not
use
things people
obscure
know.
animals.
Well, I mean, yeah, because how
Um,
many versions do they have?
Well, this is the second time around the alphabet, so
Freaking Firefox.
and usually when people refer to the Ubuntu release, they just call it by the adjective. So like if you were to say what you're working on, you're using Ubuntu Jammy. That's commonly how people talk about it.
Okay,
They'll
got it.
also say 2204, like, but Jammy is easier.
Okay, got it.
And you're using an even number year. The even number years are what are called long-term support. I usually prefer the long-term support just because they break less often.
Mhm.
But some people like either the rolling releases or the intermediate builds. It tends to mean that we have older software, but what are you laughing about? Depressed deer?
No, voluminous Viagra.
Viagra.
Jason did not get the prompt.
Viagra, that's an animal now. Yep.
Le Jason. Okay, go on.
Yeah, so we're
listening.
using a long-term support. This usually means that it has older software because it doesn't get updates. But 2204 just recently came out, so we have relatively newer software.
Okay, got it.
When my brother and I did this, we were doing this in early 2019, mid 2019. Yeah, mid 2019, and so he was using 1804, which was called Bionic Beaver.
Bionic Beaver.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a pretty good one. Sexist snake. That's just
The-
that's just men in tech. That's just VPs in tech.
But he made a Pokemon joke here, but oh, you know Pokemon. Yeah, sure.
Hey Deckard,
He called it a Mega Bidoof.
welcome back. A bussin' beaver? That's just
so-
that just sounds hot. That's just like a nice compliment to give a lady at the end of a long
Damn,
night.
you got a bussin' beaver.
Damn, girl, you got a bussin' beaver. Yeah.
My favorite one that they wasted on a non-LTS release is Yakety Yak
Oh, Yakety Yak's good, dude.
or Zesty Xerus.
Yeah. I can see that.
But Yakety Yak is definitely the best one ever.
I like
go other
ostentatious
one.
otter.
What was the O one?
What an ostentatious otter.
Them two code names.
A precious panther?
P was Precise Pangolin. Ah, that was a
That's
release I
pretty
remembered
good.
a lot.
Do you remember when everyone thought COVID was started by a pangolin? So I remember that time. That time when everyone was like, someone fucked a pangolin.
Yeah.
Is there an S at the end of Torvalds?
I don't fucking know. Groovy Gorilla was a good one too. Saucy Salamander was the S.
My Linux dish would be called Baked Birthday Candle. You're just talking about like Yankee candles. What are you talking?
Is that Chris?
Yeah, Chris is
Yep.
so. Chris, why are you
Chris,
guys
next
so?
time we hang out, I'm gonna buy some candles and we'll have some. We'll finish those birthday candles.
Karmic Koala was my crush. Pando, you need to touch grass.
I didn't actually know it was koala. I just knew it was karmic.
Sussy Salamander is pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. Linus Torvald is a man. Correct. Yes. And this is all of my very short operating system history.
So what else
I
did
guess
Linus
you didn't-
Torvalds do besides Linux? Is that it?
Yell at people on the internet? I don't know. Git. Writes mean emails. Yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's all I'm writing. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. What?
Oh, I guess I also told you that it's called Linux because they all share the same Linux kernel.
Mm-hmm.
The kernel is kind of the base operating system layer thing. I don't know if you want to write that down. Or if you did write that down.
Okay. I can't. Oh my
He said
god.
fucking video. Yeah, that's true. And he put up his little middle finger.
Dude, a lot of people have been saying fucking video. Like,
Yeah.
I was just reading, like, EVGA apparently is parting ways with NVIDIA.
What are they gonna do? That's like the only product of theirs that I ever bought.
Isn't there an NVIDIA competitor out there?
AMD.
Yeah, AMD, right? I guess it's just
I guess
PC.
technically Intel has entered the market.
Yeah.
But I can't really see. Does AMD farm out their board manufacturing?
I
Or
don't
are they
know.
first party?
What else do you
I
want
don't know.
to...
I've never bought an AMD device.
Okay, will you entertain chat? I have to pee.
Okay. Farm out their board construction. EVGA had so low margins on GPUs it didn't really matter. Huh. Interesting. All right, chat. So the next thing that we're gonna try and convince her to do is close this browser and set up Git. Although I think she set it up before, but I don't think she used SSH keys the first time. So we're gonna be generating an SSH key, which we'll see how that goes. EVGA sells a lot of other PC like what? Do they do like motherboards and stuff, or I don't know that I've Oh, Gabriel asks questions. How much resources do VMs take? It depends. If you're doing a lot of stuff inside of them, they'll take, comparative resources, but they're not inherently expensive. Like, unless you're using the CPU, they're not really taking stuff. So we're using a virtual machine rather than an emulator. An emulator, on the other hand, is going to take all of your CPU. Because emulation doesn't run natively on the processor. It kind of translates the computer code into other computer code to run. Whereas a virtual machine takes advantage of processor features to run the software basically natively. It's not quite like all of the file system stuff is going to be sort of emulated, but the CPU is going to be pretty
Okay,
native.
I'm back. Thank you for
Did you wash
waiting.
your hands?
Yeah, see, they're still a little wet.
Because you don't show them to the camera? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, yeah. Still a little wet.
I didn't dry my hands very well, apparently.
So you just pissed on your hands, and that's why they're a little wet.
Okay. So where did we leave off? You were talking. I think we're done talking about this.
Okay, cool. Yeah, sounds good. Sweet. All right. So the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to commit this here in the browser, and then you're going to close the browser. And we're not going to use the browser anymore.
Goodbye, browser. We loved you.
We got to commit it
We loved you. You were so great. Wow, wow, wow. Adding Linux notes.
first. So I had a friend from previous company that I worked at, and their handle on like every platform is wow, wow, wow.
Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I say that so much, and I'm kind of jealous. By the way, what do you
It's actually
think
to the point
about?
where I can't remember their actual name.
What do you think about my back-end bitch idea?
I think it's a great name that's impossible to monetize.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if it's for charity, who's gonna really complain?
Yeah, but if you want to get like, that sponsor money.
Fine, back-end bish. Bish. Want to do hot pot for dinner? Yes, I do.
October
Come
26th. Can I be there? Oh no, that's next week.
Well,
Friend and freak.
just come over anyway. Fuck it.
I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna get there.
Friend and freak? Jesus.
Friend and female.
Oh.
Ugh.
Oh, that tasted gross in my mouth. True, I tasted that.
Ugh.
I could taste it. It tasted
Tastes
gross.
like eating 2 shoes at once. Ugh.
True. She's one of those friend and females. That's how you say it. That's how I read that. Friend and female. Okay. I'm in Ubuntu. Wow, wow, wow. What do I do?
Okay.
Wow, wow, wow.
We are gonna start a terminal. Do you remember the keyboard shortcut from last time?
Yes, Control T.
Hey, nice.
Smells a genius. Wow, wow, wow. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna recommend that you change the font size of your terminal so that chat can actually read what you're typing.
Yeah.
To do that, you are going to click the hamburger menu. Yeah, and then preferences. And then I think it's in profiles. Profiles?
I have to make a new one. Oh, unnamed.
Oh, click on unnamed. Sorry.
Wow.
And then
Text.
12. First go
Custom font.
Custom font. Yeah, check that box.
Wow, let's make it real big. How big, chat? That big? That too big? That big.
I use 13.5, but if you're only going to use one window, I would do like 20.
20, okay. Can you see this, chat? Can you see this?
I would also change, unless you're okay with these colors. We can't see because the fundraiser's in the way. Can you put it on the right-hand side?
Yeah.
Most of the important stuff's going to happen on the left.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Super wide load. More? Bigger? They want it bigger.
I guess you could go 24, sure.
They want it bigger. They want it huge. They want it so large. Okay.
I don't think this... Oh, the slider does let you do 24. Look at that. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do... Oh, that was slick. Nice.
Yeah, I was
What
surprised.
window manager are you using?
Ubuntu?
So chat, you're always going to get asked this question over and over and over. They're going to be like, what window manager are you using? And I don't know what window manager you're using. You're not really using one. But they're going to tell you to use i3 gaps, and you just have to keep saying, no, I will not use i3 gaps.
No, I will not use i3 gaps. I swear on my butthole. That's it's my most important hole. Okay.
You rank your holes?
Yeah.
Wouldn't your mouth hole be a lot more valuable than your...
No! Your butthole's very important. Sorry, are we ranking our holes?
You were the one who said that it was your most important hole. So...
I mean, what do you think is more important than your butthole?
Your mouth?
Okay, counterpoint. You can get food and nutrients through other holes, like an IV hole, but you can't get poop out of your body through any other hole but your butthole. I guess colostomy bags.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Ear holes are the most important? The right ear?
Is nasal sex considered penetration?
I mean, honestly, if you can fit, like, just go for it, dude. Like, you know, it's like you don't have...
my girl, she doesn't swallow, she snorts.
I mean, like, if it's that small that it can fit into a nasal cavity, get what you can get, buddy. Like, you know? Whatever you're into.
Right, we're going to set up Git now. So first you're going to type Git, and it's probably not going to be installed. So let's do that first.
Yeah. Apt install Git.
He's ask your administrator. Okay, so yes, next we could try what it tells you to do. And then it's going to give you this message and not really give you any hints.
Okay, so I need to install apt.
But hold on a sec. No, back up a little bit. So apt is what's called a package manager. It is the one that is used by Debian-like derivatives.
I'm sorry.
Don't type the commands that chat's telling you in chat.
I'm not an idiot. Guys, I've used a computer before. Sudo
So apt or apt-get is the package manager for Debian, and Ubuntu is a Debian-like, so it also uses the same packaging system. And so this is one of the few times that we are going to use the sudo command. Usually you should not use sudo, but if you're interacting with the system package manager, that is the one time you're allowed to use sudo. You could run that. I don't.
There's nothing on there. There's like nothing on here.
Run ls. You're wrong.
Really? Oh wow. Okay, go on.
Wow, use the long ops for ls. I'm impressed. Those don't work on macOS because macOS is a BSD derivative, and BSD doesn't have long ops.
It works in Git Bash, which is what I do most of my bash in. So
yeah, Git Bash is a GNU user space-ish thing. Okay, anyway, so
wait,
we're going
sorry,
to...
what's GNU?
GNU is... I don't know what it stands for, but it's the, like... It's the pricks that made the GPO, and it's popularized by the guy who eats his toenails.
Oh, it's not toenails,
Richard
dude.
Stallman.
Dude, he was not eating his toenails. He was eating his foot skin. That's like,
That's better?
I don't know a lot about Richard Stallman, but I do know he ate his foot skin. That's one of like 3 things I know about this man, this poor guy. Just look it up, Adrian. Just type in Stallman eats foot. And you'll find it. Yes, the other thing I do know is that he's a terrible sexist. That's
oh yeah, that's yeah. Yeah, he's got a lot of problems, but unfortunately he has made a very popular set of tools and open source and a cabal of most of what people use in the command line on computers and stuff.
Got it. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
Were you using sudo?
Yes, so we were going to run that apt-get install command, but we were going to put sudo in front of it. And sudo stands for super user do. And usually you don't want to use sudo because it becomes the ever powerful root user on your machine. It'd be basically like running as the administrator user in Windows.
Why is Ubuntu so mean that like contact your administrator? This incident
Wait.
will be reported. Why?
I'm actually like really glad that this message showed up, but now I don't know how we're going to fix this. Because somehow you have set up your own computer
To not be an
to
administrator.
not allow you to do computer things.
Yeah. I mean, it was probably somewhere in my VM thing.
I think this is VirtualBox fucking us.
Use sudo dash to switch to root using root's password.
I don't
Sudo
think
root.
root has a password.
Try sudo dash.
I mean, try su dash. I don't think it's gonna work though.
With the app install guild or just su dash?
Just su dash. And then try your password.
It worked.
Okay, we are going to well, yeah, now you can run that, but we should add your user to the sudoers such that we can do this later. But I don't remember how to do that. But yes, you're gonna answer yes to that.
You don't need sudo root. Well, you know, I don't need to fake a French accent when I read your messages, but I'll do it anyway. Sorry, it kicks out.
Okay.
Reinstall? No.
You are going to, I will paste this into here.
French juice.
You're gonna run this inside. Right now you're in a root prompt, so you gotta be very careful about what you run. So see how it has an octothorpe at the end of the thing?
Yeah, I see how there's a hashtag there.
Yeah, you see how there's a pound sign there?
Yeah.
That means you're root. If it's a $, it means you're not root, usually.
Yeah, okay. I'm root. Got it.
So you're gonna run the command that I just sent you.
Wow. Leak DMs. Leak DMs. Leak DMs.
Chat teaches code? No, we don't run commands that are in chat. Unless I tell you to.
Can you tell me what I just did?
You added your user to the sudoers group.
Yay.
I think that's all you need to do. Okay, so now if you do Control D or you type exit. This is another great tip. So if you ever want to quit something, you can either type exit, but that's 4 characters, or you can do Control D. All right.
Control the
do
D.
sudo space -- validate.
Did not work.
This article is garbage then. All right. Do su dash again.
I already did that.
All right, and you're gonna type VISUDO. VI with no space. Yep, press enter.
Looks like there's no sudo group on this machine, according to chat.
No, it's weird because the command succeeded. Okay, and somewhere in here. I don't remember how
Oh
to
my
do this.
god. I hate reading documents in terminal. I hate them. Why are we here?
You're actually in Nano right now, so you don't have to hate Vim. It's fine.
I hate now.
Members of the admin group. Okay, you are going to that's weird. Oh, if we reboot the machine, then you'll be in the group. Do you want to reboot the machine?
Exit. Control X.
Control X and
No.
oh, and just need to relog in. Don't need to reboot. Reboot's fast enough. Hi, Tofu. Okay, so you're gonna Control D twice.
Yeah, I already did that. You'll figure this out. I'm not a slow learner.
Yeah, but I'm slow because I'm chat delayed.
Chat delayed. I understand. Source.bash rc. Why would I want to source my bash profile?
Yeah, that wouldn't help.
Yeah, old man Sean. Sorry. I just like I felt like
why did we do VirtualBox? because she runs Windows and we're learning Linux.
We're learning Linux. We're learning it. We're learning it together. I'm sorry, old man Sean. I didn't mean it. Or did I? Don't be hating on
Hyper-V or
bots.
WSL.
Oh my god.
Because WSL gives you not the authentic experience.
I am
and
attracting like
I don't know anything about Hyper-V.
a whole new type of viewer that's really into like Bash and Linux and Vim.
Which one?
I don't know, just new people are in chat.
Oh, all the people?
Yeah. Okay, what am I doing?
Jake's here. Hello.
Hi Fixter, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Wow, you're so cool.
Okay, so let's open up the terminal again and try sudo -- validate again. Sudo validate is just like a way to check whether you can become root.
I mean, that's already... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, this is why mine's bad password, so I don't have to fuck around and find out.
Oh my god.
The incident will be reported.
Yeah, I really liked that actually. Okay, let's see it works now.
Sweet. Okay, so now you have Git. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to set up an SSH key for connecting to GitHub.
Yeah, I can do that. I can do that off stream though. Trust me.
Well, no, we'll do it on stream. There's nothing unsafe about it. So.
They don't show anything.
Let me send you a little article that I'm gonna have you scroll through and
I mean, I
do what it tells you to do.
I'm just gonna do it this way. New SSH key. Did I just show my SSH key?
No, those are public keys. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. True. The IUD. You remember Trash's Medium post, right? True.
Yes, she does. It came up. It came up. True. It came up. What does a uterus have to do with coding? We're not the person you should be asking that question to. That's a question for twitch.tv/trash_dev. The admin gets a "you have a new mail in the terminal" about the incident. That's pretty funny. Okay, do I create a new SSH key?
Yep.
Title: the Linux VM.
Linux.
Authentication key. Add SSH key.
Yeah. No, you need to follow the link that I sent you in. That's
no, I have to generate a key here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I've done this before. I just don't immediately have the exact recall to do it, okay?
I don't have it either. That's why I open up this article every time I do it.
Got it. Understood. Okay. SSH-keygen. Substituting ED25519.
It's doing elliptic curve keys. Oh, these are fancy. I just have shitty RSA keys.
Sure.
Press enter.
No passwords.
And now you have to enter a passphrase for it. Or did you just skip the passphrase?
Yeah, I just skipped it.
Oh, you should probably have a passphrase for your key.
Oh, I didn't though, so that's where we're at.
Okay, well, it's fine to not have one, I guess. But I would recommend one in general.
Okay. Nah, passphrases are annoying.
So now you want to cat the public key, not the private key. It told you where it is, so we're gonna. Oh, I guess you know the cat command, right?
Cat command, no.
So cat is, I believe it stands for concatenate, but it prints the contents of a file.
Meow. Is that the cat command?
That's a fucked up cat. Oh, okay, now it looks like a cat.
Hi, Gosu. Yeah, we're generating keys.
So you are going to print out the contents of that .pub file, and the easiest way to do that is to use the cat command. So let's do
Cat.
that.
Just do cat and then
paste that file, or copy and paste that file name, or type it out. That works too. Let's do copy and paste so you learn something. So don't type that out for a sec. If you double click on the file path, it should select the whole thing. And then you can do Control Shift C, and then Control Shift V. You don't have to do that weird Shift Insert bullshit that you have to do on Windows.
I liked Shift Insert. I had gotten attached.
You can also do Shift Insert, I believe.
Okay, I'm catting it. What do I want me to do now?
All right, press Enter. Oh my God, you showed your key. No.
Yeah, what did that do?
Okay, so that is the public key. You're gonna copy and paste that and stick it into GitHub.
Including the Melissa Leon bish?
Yep, the whole thing.
Wait, can I copy something from my VM and then put it in my
Oh yeah,
host?
that's another setting that we're gonna do. So click on the devices menu again, in the top of your machine. And then shared clipboard, and you're gonna turn it into bi. Yeah, bi-directional. And now you have to copy it one more time because it
I
clears
understand.
clipboard when you do that.
Totally. Cool.
Another cool little thing about
just like that. Add SSH key.
Yeah, another cool thing about how GitHub works is anyone can see all of your public keys. Just by going to the URL that I put in chat.
Oh shit, dog.
It's a neat little trick.
Cool.
So we can actually just see the elliptic curve key that you just added at the bottom there.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay, we are now going to try and clone your programming notes repository.
Yeah, I know how to do that.
I usually like to make a workspace directory
Yeah. I always put everything on my desktop because I'm cool like that.
Okay, all right, sure. You can do that.
Yeah.
Monster.
I knew that was gonna get you.
I don't know if you can hide desktop icons on Ubuntu. Don't copy and paste the thing. We're gonna type it out. So learn how to type it out.
Okay, it's like get.
You can at least copy that part.
Get clone.
Okay, get clone.
Get
at github.com.
github.com/meldeleon.
No, colon.
How am I not going to be able to copy and paste this?
Because you're going to have to type this hundreds of thousands of times if you continue doing stuff.
Okay,
and
fine.
It's good to know the right way.
That's fine. Meldeleon?
You can copy paste it. No, we're not doing HTTPS URLs.
Meldeleon?
That's part of... Yep, and then slash, and then...
/ Anthony teaches code?
Yep. And we're not cloning over HTTPS, we're cloning over SSH so that it forces you to use your key. So you're going to type yes here.
Wow.
And now you've cloned your repo.
Wow, it's here. It's here just like... Okay, now can... Oh, you're going to make me use Vim.
Okay, so there's a shorter way to do what you just did. If you do ls-a instead of --all. And the one that most people do is ls-al, which will show you it in
Oh, it's all formatted. Nice.
Yeah, that's the one that I like, is ls-al.
Yeah, I like it. How to use Vim? Type quit. I see Black Deep with the zingers.
Okay. Right.
Dash
so,
Thor is cool. Is this a real thing?
What is? I don't know. Sure, try it. What is that?
What's the difference? It's just left.
Well, it doesn't have the dot and the dot or the dot git. It doesn't have any of the hidden folders. I don't know what any of those letters are. Well, we can learn what they are by running ls-help. which is a thing, or you can man ls. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why are you listening to chat?
No, I didn't listen to chat. I know how to. I've used bash before.
Is there man on Git Bash?
Yeah, I mean, I've also used a Mac before for like a long time. I mean, I don't like man because it's not inclusive. Excuse me.
Yeah, that's why I use dash help.
I think it stands for manual.
Yeah, it
Not like a man.
Yeah.
Whose man is that? Where's Thor? T.
Like an old lady.
Whose man is
Okay,
that?
so instead of scrolling around with the mouse, you can use slash to search.
Slash Thor?
So you're gonna search for -t. Because -thor is actually -t-h-o-r.
Dash T. Pattern not found.
You gotta go to the beginning of the file. So you're gonna type little g, which goes to the beginning of the file.
And then slash T.
And then you're gonna do /-t. Yeah. And then you can do n to go to the next.
Oh my god, why do people live like this?
I don't know.
Sort by time, newest,
Okay.
first C, dash time.
Okay, so now we're gonna try and find what -h is. So let's do the same process again.
Oh my god, is this real life?
So little g to go to the top.
I know.
Okay, I'm just trying
Human
to reinforce the
readable.
learning.
Okay, human readable.
Okay.
Okay, dash O. Oh
Yep.
god, slash dash O. Like L, but do not list group information. So that was like the
Oh,
hidden
okay.
directory stuff, I guess. Okay.
Cool.
And then
And
dash
R was on the
R.
page, so you didn't actually need to do that. But that.
Well, you know, we did it anyway.
Yeah. I'm proud of you.
Reverse order. So like newest first.
Oh, I don't like that. I don't like the -t either.
I mean, I just like that it spells Thor. What
Well, you
is
can
a
probably
Mac?
just do ls-ho. I would do that. That one's probably okay.
What about LS butts?
You want to know the only other command that I remember that's kind of funny is ps tree space schlap SHLAP.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you jumping ahead into Vim?
Yeah, I mean, I figured I wanted to add the things I had learned.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
And how do I fucking do that in this godforsaken place?
All right. So the first thing that you'll probably notice is like, what the fuck are these?
M's?
The M's? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Windows file lines. So we're actually gonna learn something first before we do this. So let's quit out of this.
Holy butts, Monsoon GG.
Heyo.
With 305 people do
Wait,
not
no,
want to
what was
watch me do this.
What was I supposed to say?
Woo!
Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Thank you,
Let's
Monsoon,
go!
for rating with 305 whole ass people. 305 whole ass people. I hope your asses are whole and that you're gonna have a good time here. Because it would be weird if your asses weren't whole. I would go to a doctor to.
What? How
Are
would
you butt shaming people? God. Welcome. We're learning we're learning Linux. that's it. That's the end of the story. But
we're about to learn how to exit Vim.
yeah. When I want to exit Vim, I want to insert. How to go into insert mode.
Well, first we want to quit to kill those stupid M's.
So
those
Q?
M's are Windows new lines, so we're gonna : Q. Yep.
Yeah.
And we're gonna run DOS2 Unix on that file.
DOS2 Unix.
Yep.
Okay.
But it's the
VM.
number 2 because they
Oh
don't
my
like spelling
god,
things out for dumb
Hackermans.
reasons.
Okay, like that, and then
Yep. And I
Not
would actually just do it on
found.
star. Oh, it's gonna tell you to install.
sudo apt install DOS2 Unix. I see. So basically the file was in DOS format and now it needs to be in Unix format. Is that why
Yep.
whenever I switch between Mac and Windows, it like will do that? It will just do
You
some
get weird
crazy.
different new lines. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do
Yep.
some crazy shit. Hi, Monsoon.
Yeah, and
Monsoon.
if you open it into like Notepad, it'll fold it up all in one line.
Mwah. Monsoon gets kisses for free in my channel. Dude, I've scammed him out of so many kisses in his channel. It's like not even funny. I've redeemed like 30 kisses and then I just refund them. I'm so sorry. How do we get these kisses?
And Mac used, as Altos points out, Mac used to just be carriage return. It hasn't been that way in like 15 years though. So
carriage return is ours and then new lines are N, right?
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know, that's actually a reference to typewriters. Because when you would return the typewriter carriage from the right all the way to the left, that was a carriage return.
And then you would feed the line. Yeah,
feed the line. Feed the line. Except for... Hi, Grizzly Andrew. I tried getting an insult once. Do you want an insult? I insulted you so many times. So many times.
Oh, wait, did you get rid of... Oh, no, here it is.
So many times. Like how you... Oh, fuck. Mutually redeemed, make juice compliment you. Oh, that's fucking easy. That's so easy.
Yeah, True is easy to compliment.
True makes like kind of risky fashion choices like very, very easily. And like pulls them off like crazy. She's like, today I'm just gonna get curtain bangs and it's not gonna be a big deal and I'm gonna look fucking amazing, even though that would totally ruin Mel's life if she tried to get curtain bangs. And she does it like so effortlessly and with like no problem whatsoever. I don't know how she does it. It actually kind of pisses me off. She's like, I'm just gonna dye like half my hair white and half my hair black and no one's gonna say anything and they're all gonna think it's amazing. Anyway, you're brave. You're fashion forward and brave. I said it. And then Anthony wanted an insult?
Yeah, you want to hear something petty that I did once? About bangs?
About bangs? I mean, is that the insult? Are you just going... God damn...
Well, I'm not going to insult myself. God. Never mind. Go ahead.
An insult for Anthony. Let me think about it. I hate the way you make cookies. I don't know, your ratios are wrong and the cookies don't spread, so they end up looking like a little fucking scoop that just sort of melted a little bit and you're like, that's the perfect cookie, and I fucking hate it. I don't understand why you think that's a good cookie.
Well, you didn't complain when you ate? Like,
I mean, yeah, because I'm a fat ass, but that has nothing to do with the fact that it was an inferior cookie.
Yeah, so here's the difference between Mel's cookies and my cookies. I like my cookies al dente or a little bit of salmonella.
He likes them raw. He doesn't. He undercooks them. He means raw.
They're cooked enough.
They're cooked enough. Anthony, I fucking love your cookies. Monsoon, you haven't even had his cookies. You haven't even had his...
I think Monsoon likes the idea of my cookies.
Andrew says inferior cookies are still cookies. He's not wrong. He's not wrong. Okay, Monsoon wants an insult too. Oh, there's so many. I don't
know. Fuck.
I love you. Please don't hate me. Let me think of a good one though.
Monsoon looking for the unraid button right about
now. Oh, Monsoon, you're like in your mid-20s. Fold your laundry. Jesus Christ. He lives his life by the pile system. Everything, he just like, he takes all of his clothes and puts it back in the hamper clean, and then he just has a clean hamper and a dirty hamper. But then sometimes I mix up the clean hamper and the dirty hamper, and I put dirty clothes in the clean hamper because I'm an adult and I fold my clothes and put them away.
Well, at least it's not the chair drobe system, or
I respect it.
Or the dryer drobe system.
Dude, the dryer drobe was the saddest point of my life. When I started doing the dryer drobe, I knew I was depressed and immediately sought therapy. I was like...
I've never gotten to that state yet.
Who got time to fold clothes when you could be top fragging? A dryer drobe true is where the clothes don't even leave the dryer and you just grab clothes out of the dryer.
And you put the dirty ones into the washer, and then when you're ready, when you run out of clean clothes, you run the washer. And the chair drobe is when you
I've been there, but I'm
put all of
depressed.
your clothes on your bed until you're about to go to sleep, and then you move all your clothes to your chair. And then when you wake up and need to use your desk, you move all your clothes from your chair back to your bed.
Guys, why don't you just I mean, I don't know. I do laundry because I grew up in an Asian household. I would have gotten my ass whooped.
Yeah, and I'm a psychopath and I separate my lights and darks.
I've noticed that. That's a thing that people started doing in the 50s, I think. Let's be honest.
Yeah, but I don't like, having all of my white clothes be slightly red and slightly yellow. Okay, anyway. Actually, let's run DOS to Unix star.
On everything? Okay.
Yeah. And the star is a feature of your shell.
I know.
It is a wildcard.
It's a wild card.
Unsurprisingly.
It's wild. Oh, see, these are the things I want to add to my notes. To my bash notes.
Yep.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
We're gonna start.
Yep.
Okay. Is it
I is
it colon I? Colon
No, it's just I.
Just I? When is it I? Okay, I'm an insert, I think. Oh. What's happening?
Okay, I don't know what you've done.
Oh,
You're not in insert mode right now, but you can press U. You will undo everything. So if you just hold down U, you'll go all the way back.
No.
Oh, now you're in insert mode. Okay, do escape and then hold down U. Wait, are you in Vim or are you in VI? You might be in VI.
I'm so scared. Let me get out.
Okay, we can quit. We can quit with a bang.
Let
If
me
you quit with a bang, hold on, slow down.
Control D.
No. Stop. Escape, Q, bang. We'll
Escape,
quit out and put everything back.
Q, bang. Oh, bang.
Yeah.
Bang.
Yeah.
We made it out alive, guys.
Okay, yeah, you were using VI. That's why.
Oh, is it Vim? Should I do Vim bash?
Yeah, VI is like shitty Vim.
Okay. Oh, what? I don't even have
Yes.
Vim. That's why.
Yeah.
Which Vim? Just regular Vim?
I usually install Vim Nox, which is no X. You could also, if you want to support Tej, you could install NeoVim, but it's a really old ass version, so I wouldn't.
Wait, Tej wrote NeoVim?
Yeah.
Is that why he's like well known in the community? Is that
That's
like
why
his
he's
thing? Mel was melting the full Linux experience. I understand. I finally understand why that like whole group of content creators talk about NeoVim so much now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, some people make Vim their entire personality.
Yeah. Versus like, we never talk about any air shit. Like like pre-commit. What else have you written? Pre-commit, PyTest.
I didn't write PyTest, but I work on it.
Wait, what did you write besides pre-commit?
Well, I have like 60 projects.
Oh my gosh, you heckin' nerd.
I'm trying to get rid of one right now.
Deckard says, I don't know. Vim is my preferred Linux bad editor. Sorry, that's how I read all of Deckard's messages.
It seems fair.
And this is True's voice. I hate that I'm only good at programming. The community sucks, Lamau. That's the True voice.
Why is that also the mommy voice?
Monsoon says, I'm getting my Overwatch account back. Pog.
Did he get banned?
No, it was associated with an old email that he lost control over.
Oh.
The pottery community goes hard. Same with the plant community. What are you talking about? What? Overwatch? Yeah, we should play Overwatch after this. Cool. What was I doing? Vim
I don't
bash.
remember.
Okay, we're gonna.
Vim. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, please, how do I do this?
I do play games, but I've never played Overwatch.
How do I do this, please?
The last shooter I played was Modern Warfare 2.
Okay, do I go to insert mode?
Yes.
Okay, insert. Oh, I
So,
know. I. Okay.
Wait, not colon I, just I.
I did
Okay.
just I.
See how it says insert at the bottom? That's how you know you're in insert mode.
There's so many dirty jokes.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
did you read my dirty joke on True's tweet?
I did. I saw it. Okay, cool. What were the things we discovered in Bash?
A lot.
It was like LS, AL
LS.
is a shortcut for short cute. LS, all.
Well, hold up. I'm gonna teach you a markdown thing.
Man.
So that your stuff is prettier.
I like my markdown. But
Well,
yes.
we're gonna make it prettier. You're gonna put backticks around all of the code parts like computer people would do.
Oh, yeah. That's just expected, right? That's how you do all documentation.
Yep.
Yep. Man. We'll pull up.
Marsha's here.
Hi, Marsha. Articles for any bash. What do you call those? Bash commands?
For any executable? I wouldn't call them bash commands.
Bash.
Program. For any program.
Okay, executable.
But there's also other stuff that's not programs.
New rebranding idea. Bash executable.
Well, they're actually unrelated to bash.
Oh, man. You seem to be not into my backend bitch idea.
Well, you can't. They're not bash things.
You know what it is? It's I need one of those. You know those sounds? That's like backend bitch.
What was I watching that?
Why get sound effects when you can just make?
That oh, it was the TwitchCon concert.
You are now watching the backend bitch. And then it just goes into like a Blackpink metal song. Throat goat. Just throat goat. Oh man. I love how like I've seen throat goat references on Twitter and Twitch now like 100 times. Like throat goat has become a mainstay to Twitch culture now.
It kind of already was before.
I don't know, man. I've seen it a lot.
Ludwig's been saying throat goat for like years.
Yeah, okay, so man will help. We'll pull up help articles. What else did we learn? Anything else?
It's not for bash executable. I can't let you keep that there.
What executable? Okay, how do I?
Program.
Okay, how do I delete things now? Can I do that in insert mode? Oh, I can.
Yeah, you can press the backspace key.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, for any bash shortcut?
For any program. It's not a bash program.
Bash
is just a shell.
Bash is just a shell of what it once was, and she left. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What is
you
bash?
Can man bash also.
Bash is a shell.
Oh, actually, that's the next part of my brother's programming notes.
What is bash?
So, there are... okay, so there's a concept called a terminal, and there's a concept called a shell. And people confuse them all the time and call them the other thing. You are technically running a terminal emulator, which is the program that you have running now. It's called GNOME Terminal, GNOME-terminal. And it's called a terminal emulator because it pretends to be a terminal, and when a terminal used to be is connect into the mainframe and blah 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 blah.
So terminal used to be like an actual standalone machine. That's all it would do.
Yeah, you would dial into the mainframe and run commands on the mainframe.
Got it. Cool.
And you are using the bash shell inside of that terminal emulator. And there are a bunch of different shells. Bash is just the default one for Ubuntu.
Okay.
On macOS, for instance, the default shell is now ZSH, which I don't know how to pronounce. It's either Zish or ZSH or Zish or Zish or I don't fucking know.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear any of that. I just heard Nicki Minaj.
Oh, you know what's funny?
What?
I don't hear Nicki Minaj.
I know. Oh no! More Nicki Minaj.
Damn, I got bitches. Is that what it is?
No, that's
This
Kendrick.
one? No.
That's Kendrick.
Oh,
Nicki Minaj is.
which one is this one?
You don't follow me? Well, you don't follow
Oh,
me,
yeah,
because
yeah,
even
yeah,
in your
yeah,
new
yeah,
bitch, I can see a lot of me.
Yeah.
Actually, Bash means born again shell.
Did I tell you I was in a lift and
Okay, but what's a shell though? Real quick.
how do I define a shell? I guess the way that I think about shells is you type commands into them and they run them for you. They also have things called job control, but we're not going to get into job control today. And I think most people don't actually need job control, but that's for a whole different day.
Okay. Got it.
Actually, do you want to trial by fire learn job control?
No, not in the slightest.
I kind of want to do it just because I think it'd be funny.
Yeah, but I'm attempting to wrap this up by 8:30. I think that's the plan.
All right, let's do :W first, just so that we've written out the file. So do escape to exit insert mode.
Hold on. Sorry, repeat that. Type
Press escape to exit insert mode.
escape. Okay.
And then you're going to do :W.
Okay. Is this right?
Yep, and then you'll press enter.
Okay. And then
All right, now we're going to trial
Q?
by fire. You're going to press Control Z.
Control Z.
No, don't Control Q yet. Do Control Z. Okay. So this is job control. Technically, Vim is still running, but it is running in the background.
It says
but now you can type
stopped.
other commands on your terminal while Vim is backgrounded.
Oh.
So it allows you to do kind of multiple things in a session and switch back and forth between stuff. Why did you immediately jump to sudo?
Because I want to get apt-get.
Oh no, you already have apt-get installed. Yeah, sure. Sudo validate. That's a command you know. Okay, cool. And if you want to get back to the command that you've backgrounded, you can press FG and press enter. That will foreground the command.
Ooh. Am I the one who thinks foreskin every time I see the word foreground? Yes. The answer is
Yeah.
yes. The answer to that question is yes. I am so sorry.
Yeah.
How come I was able to... Oh, I wasn't able to delete that. Okay.
But yeah, I don't use job control like at all. At least I don't use job control like at all on stream because it's really confusing.
Well,
People
is there a
watching it,
way to
it's so
like
hard.
call all of your backgrounded things?
Yeah, you can.
I read it as
jobs.
foreskin. Other people think of foreskin too. I'm not the only one.
You can type jobs and press enter, and that'll tell you all your background things. Right now, you have nothing backgrounded.
Yeah.
But let's say let's run.
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Run a couple of things and background them all. So if you do Control Z.
What else can I run?
Run Vim again and background another one.
Yeah.
And you can background that one too.
And then rank jobs.
Now if you run jobs.
Wow.
And you can actually select which one you want to foreground. So if you do FG1.
Wow. Oh, sorry, FG1.
Yep. That'll foreground the job number 1.
FG1, yeah. Okay. Cool.
And now you know more about job control than I would probably 99% of people that use computers.
Okay, cool.
But and now if you do jobs again, you can see.
Oh, interesting.
And they don't renumber.
They don't
So if you
renumber.
have job 2, you'll still have that one.
Yeah. Cool. Awesome.
So you can do like scripty things, but
Okay, cool. What else do we want to talk about here?
Well, if you're trying to wrap up by 8, we probably want to commit this, and we'll continue doing more next time.
Ooh, I
And
said
where you
8.
learn all the
I
things that we
said
didn't write down.
8:30. So we got a little time.
Oh. Okay. Well, we learned a bunch of commands, so you probably want to put those into your other file.
Did we learn a lot of commands though?
We got DOS to Unix, so we did ls, we did get clone, we did sudo dash validate, we did apt install. Right?
Totally.
And you learned some Vim stuff, so you're gonna have to make a Vim
Oh my god.
markdown too.
You're right. How do I make a new file?
We're gonna learn another command, and you're also gonna.
Let's just do the Vim stuff because I feel like the Bash stuff I already know pretty well.
Okay, so computer people are perverts. You're gonna run touch vim.md.
Oh. I touch it.
There's also a command
Vim.
called finger,
Oh.
which is to look up user information.
Oh no, that's bad. Everything about that
there
is
was
terrible.
Definitely an HR issue at Yelp where people were inappropriately using the finger command. They turned it into a IRC command, and then
I pressed
people were
something
like,
bad.
"Hey, finger the women employees."
I pressed
in
something
chat.
terrible.
Yeah.
I gotta
Oh, God,
go.
what have you done?
I gotta go. Okay.
Q bang.
I did cubing. I was also about to.
You got it into the help mode.
Okay.
You gotta put a space after your octothorpes.
Will quit. Sorry, I didn't register what you were saying because they're called fucking hashtags. We'll quit.
Look at my brother's Vim notes.
Vim,
it takes a file name and arguments. It's
will
essentially a text editor.
Force a
That's
quit
not wrong, Dana.
with no changes.
Oh, we jumped way ahead of these notes.
will
We're all over
take.
the place.
It's okay. Touch bunny. Oh god, Jesus, Marsha. Who made this? Now do man touch at the prompt.
Touch it a fosh.
Oh, finger man touch. Jesus. Okay.
Yeah.
I will take you into insert mode. Okay. This is too much. The touch, the man, the finger, the insert. That's too much, guys. Too much.
Yeah, wait until we start killing children.
WQ will save and quit. That's good. WQ. Oh, I didn't know you could concatenate these things.
Yeah, you can run multiple commands at once.
Well, I'll write that down.
I would make it a separate folder.
I already did.
Okay, I'm streamed late.
I know. It's almost like I'm secretly smart.
I mean, you're not secretly smart, you just are smart.
It's true. It's true. I will take you insert mode. What else did we learn?
We learned... I think that's actually all that we learned. Oh, U is undo. We learned that one. We did Q bang also.
Oh yeah, I did cubing. You will undo.
We also technically learned little g, but we weren't in Vim when we learned little g.
Little g takes you to beginning of document.
Yep. So what do you think big G does?
Nothing.
Big G goes to the end of the document.
What? In what world does that make sense?
No, it's the opposite of
Oh.
I wish they were all like this, because you know you. Oh no. Oh no.
You know what it is? There's a shortcut. I think Alt. Yeah.
Alt right.
No, there's something really similar because my keyboard's a small keyboard, so my backticks are very close to a different shortcut that takes you to help.
Oh, probably F1.
Yeah, it's probably F1.
Yeah.
Takes you to the end of the document. There was one more you said that I forgot about already.
Those are all that's in my brother's
It was 2
notes.
letters.
What's that?
It was 2 letters.
Oh. And we did WQ. I don't know that we did any other ones.
Okay, that's fine.
So let's do colon W for a sec. Oh, was it colon W?
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
colon
it's
W.
But you already have WQ.
No. It was. I know what it was. I was gonna do escape leaves insert mode.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna do. Escape colon W quit. Boom. Get dash dash.
Do you want to learn my jankiest way that I used to quit Vim?
Sorry, my mind is like adding dash dashes now.
Wait, run get status. You might have added more things than you want.
I didn't. Git commit adding vm or vim notes updating bash notes.
Yep, and we're about to learn another thing.
Wow, cool.
Yep, see, you got to do what it told you to do. Wait, no.
Wait.
You ignored the message and then just pushed.
I did it. I liked it. I wanted to. What?
Now you've got a fucked up user on your remote.
What does that mean? What? What? Your name and email address were configured automatically based on your username and host name. Please check that they are accurate. What is it? Do I have like a weird... Oh, wait, what?
Yeah, yours is fucked up, so you gotta do what it...
What's fucked up about it?
Scroll up and look at the email it gave you.
Leo Melly at Ubuntu, myguest.virtualbox.org. I liked that.
Yeah, but you don't actually have that email, and GitHub's not gonna know that's you.
Okay, fine. That's me. Deckard says that me. Of course I didn't... Okay, fine. How do I fix it?
Alright, run the command that tells you to do.
Git
To see the first command.
Oh, I've got to change my git config.
Yep.
Global edit. I've done this before too.
Yep.
Okay, I can do this. Don't tell me. I will do it.
Except you're in Nano now, so you're no longer in Vim.
I know. I know.
So Nano's easy mode.
Oh, I can just do it? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. But you gotta remove the octothorpes too.
You're an octothorpe.
Yeah, I am. You got me.
I've known it all along. That's your... Okay. And then, right?
Except this is Nano, or this is Nano, so you can just do... I used to just choose Control X, Y, Enter, but you can just do Control O, Control X.
Control O, Control X.
Or Control S, Control X.
Okay, cool. After doing this, you may fix the identity. Git, commit, amend. Wait, I already pushed though.
I know, we're gonna have to fix it. We're gonna have to force push.
Do I have to actually fix it though?
Yes.
Because the next time I commit something, or next time I spelled commit wrong. The next time I push something, it'll just... Yeah, I did mean 2 dashes.
And then you can just exit out of this by doing Control X. It's having you edit the message, but you don't actually need to. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna push this commit. So just try and get push. It should yell at you.
Rabble, rabble, rabble.
And this is because we changed the history.
Mm-hmm.
We rewrote what happened. So
yeah, you can't rewrite history.
So Git doesn't allow you to rewrite history unless you force it. So we're gonna force push.
Ooh,
And usually
okay.
you don't want to force push.
Okay, you guys can't tell me that there's not sexual connotations in force pushing insert mode man finger touch. This is like when I was like 8 years old and I installed my first, this is going to date me a lot, my first CD
I thought you were going to go with a completely different story. I'm
drive.
glad this is a computer thing.
My first CD drive, and my brother was explaining to me how to install my first CD drive, and he was like, this is a male connector and this is a female connector, and then he connected them and I figured out what sex was. That's how I figured out what sex was. And that's why I'm so fucked in the head, and that's why I stream technology. In a nutshell, guys. In a nutshell.
Why you like boring white guys? Yep.
Heteronormativity. I can't even do it. Heteronormative. I can't even do that with a French accent. Heteronormativity. Oh, shaking my head. Oh. Is that good?
I don't think "ho" makes it.
What does your French accent sound like? Say heteronormativity in French.
Heteronormativity.
Oh. You're missing the. In French, you need more accents.
Heteronormativity. No, I'm like.
It all
Italian.
sounds like a fake weeb voice. I mean.
Or do your weeb voice then.
I don't have a weeb voice.
Oh, it's just
that's just my voice. I'm just a weeb. It's just what I sound like always. Liberté, fraternité. That's just her voice. Got him. Fuck him. I'm like, yeah. The worst thing is when you make a joke that I already made and it was funnier when I did it.
Yeah.
Stop rolling your R's. Yes, sir. Okay.
Right, so we're gonna do another thing that's gonna save you maybe save you some time later. We're gonna pin the terminal to the left bar. And I think you can do it by just left clicking on it or right clicking on it. Griffinborg's talking to you.
Hi, Griffinborg. Hey, mommy. I just want some lottery ticket. What stock should I buy? You should invest in my stream.
Your stream's about to get shorted.
Yeah, you should invest in my stream. I'm not a sir. I'm sorry for assuming. Madame? Ma'am? They damn? What's your preferred pronouns?
They damn.
Please tell me your preferred pronouns.
Is that a thing?
They damn? I don't know. I'm non-binary. Okay, I'll call you they then.
What is is there a formal... Is there a non-gendered formal?
Yeah, what's the French pronouns for non-gendered? Yeah, French has gendered pronouns, right? Am I crazy? Yeah, they do.
Yeah. Right click on the icon.
I'll call you the French with the right click on the what?
The icon on the left bar.
Oh, this bad boy.
Yeah.
Add to favorites?
Is that what it's called now? Maybe. They've rebranded all this shit.
Yeah. It's complicated. There's no official ungendered pronoun, so we kind of invented one. Yell. Yeah. I can't. I probably didn't pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that one. Yeah, French is kind of like, I was a linguistics major in college, and the French are very protective of their language, is probably the best way I can describe what they do there.
50-10 hull.
They just like ban words. They're like, you know what? We don't like the word email. That's never going to catch on. So in the 90s, they just banned the word email. And no one knew what
Spanish was just like, fuck it, L skateboard.
Oh, yeah. I have something I wanted to say. Okay.
Just fucking say it.
Gavin's also people just say it. Just say it. This is Gavin, order in the court. Yes, Gavin has the floor. You may speak, Gavin.
Watch them just leave stream and just never say anything.
I mean, maybe. I tweeted this thing that was like, I've been drinking black coffee recently. And for some reason, every time I order black coffee, people give me this weird little nod. I'm like, why are people weird about this? And then I was like, no, I was like, you don't have to be weird about it. It's just a coffee preference. Like, who fucking cares? And then I got a bunch of responses that were like, obviously we fucking care. I'm like, why do you care? And one of the responses was like, it's because we know something that they don't.
Yeah, you accidentally stumbled into coffee Twitter.
And then I just responded like, no, we don't. That's it. That's all I said. It's like, no, we don't. And this person deleted their tweet and then blocked me.
I saw that. Oh my
God. What? And this person I'm pretty sure is like a tech influencer with like a pretty significant following. I was like, what in the fuck? Like, this person took this very seriously.
Man, imagine getting so twisted over fucking coffee.
I know. I mean, it's like, tell me you have a fragile ego without telling me you have a fragile ego. It's very important. Gavin, what? Deckard says, I really just prefer a frappuccino. Frappuccinos will give you diabetes. There's no frappuccinos. If you drink a frappuccino for breakfast every day instead of a regular ass coffee, you will get diabetes.
What good things don't give you diabetes?
That's a good question. My mom's genes, that's a bad thing. That gave me diabetes.
Sure.
What's your favorite Linux distro? Mine is diabetes. I shouldn't have laughed at that, but it was funny to me.
Yeah, we really should have set up Hannah Montana Linux instead of Ubuntu.
Okay. I think we're good. I think have we learned about Linux enough today, guys? Do you think what do you think, chat? Did you learn things? Did you discover new things, or did you just watch me make terrible jokes for 2.5 hours?
We learned something. We'll do so much more next time.
We are. Okay, so let's talk about the Anthony Teaches Code plan. So we're gonna try and do it every Tuesday, schedule permitting. This next Tuesday we could probably do, but both Anthony and I are going to When We Were Young this weekend.
Ew.
But we're going with slightly different groups, so we're gonna meet up a couple times anyway. But we'll like post a selfie or something, right?
Yeah, we'll get COVID.
We're all getting COVID together. But for those of you who know them, I am going with Vale and Jaka and Cupcake and her husband Jake, and then Miss B, who is best mod. And then I will at some point meet up with Anthony and his best friend Shotty. So, and Shotty and Anthony and I are all staying in the same hotel actually. So.
Not the same room though.
Not the same room. No.
Be clear there.
Let's be very clear here. Are you going to France? Wait, hold on.
And we got a one queen bed. We're all gonna cuddle up in there.
Hold on. Did Gavin's ever say what he wanted to say?
No.
Gavin!
No. Gavin's just been fucking with you.
I feel fucked with. It was no pushing and inserting. We've barely scratched the surface on Linux. Is that true? Yeah. How much more is there to learn about Linux? I think I'm done.
I mean, I don't even think I know all the things.
Well, it's okay. It's okay. We can learn as much as we can. Actually, I do feel way more comfortable in Vim now. For some reason, every time I've interacted with Vim in the past, it's been like, oh God, get me out of here. Please, please, please.
Oh, I want to show you my favorite way to quit Vim. Okay, open up Vim again.
Okay, I'm ready. Vim, literally anything.
We're actually going to combine 2 bits of learning today.
Yeah.
All right, background it.
Okay.
And then do kill %1.
I know what this is. I've had to kill things in the past.
Yeah, and then press enter one more time and it should die.
Press enter one more time and it should die.
Did it not die? Do jobs again?
Oh, jobs, not programs.
Oh, maybe do kill -9% And then your homework is to watch the kill -9 song. Who else?
Yeah, I'm aware of how to spell kill.
Okay. But have you watched the song?
I feel like you showed me it once, and I was like, I didn't. You know, there's a lot of times where you show me a video, and I just smile and wave, smile and wave, boys. So
yeah. And 9 is a signal. That's a kill. It's the uncatchable signal.
Actually, hold on. This is gonna bother me. We should do our Vim notes. Is that okay?
Sure.
What did we learn in Vim? Oh, we already did the Vim notes.
We did those, yeah. We just did
Oh,
those.
I meant bash notes?
Yeah, if you want to talk about jobs. Although I don't know how jobs is going to be all that useful. Ah, you're being asked about your rad fundraiser, juiceboxhero.
Can you tell me more about the fundraiser? Yeah, absolutely. So we are fundraising for a charity called RAD right now. And here's the donate money button. RAD is they're really great. They're a nonprofit started by a guy named Jason.con. And they basically employ a bunch of social workers and have like this massive like charity based fund that they pull from. And if you're like anybody from anywhere in the world, if you're anybody anywhere and you would like to seek the help of a therapist, you'd like to see a therapist, you can go to yourrad.org and then you can get, you can say like, hey, I would like some therapy, and they'll actually they'll hook you up with a social worker who will find you a therapist, set up your first appointment, and then they'll pay for your therapy because they have this cool charitable fund that they can pull from. So you can get free therapy, and the social worker checks on you in specific like touch points throughout your relationship with your therapy. So if it's like not working with your therapist, they can go find you a new therapist, and it's like pretty great actually. I have gotten to know Jason kind of well. We met up at TwitchCon and had like this really great, like pretty long coffee chat. And I think I'm going to probably volunteer some of my time to help them plan some events. So I think I'll be doing a lot more with them in the future. My poor guy is so friend zoned. That's not...
Who, me?
Yeah.
Well.
Did you know that you can be friends?
Little do they know. Been there, done that. I got
Oh my god! You can't just say that out loud. Let's just say previously we have been in insert mode, and then we colon queued.
touch.
And then we colon queued. We are now really good friends. I know it's impossible to imagine, but you can be friends with your exes. Yeah. You're colon cute. Rad is very rad. It is very rad. Anyway,
Yeah,
if you
sorry,
type in...
I was laughing during your spiel because I was thinking, may I have one therapy, please?
May I have one therapy? Yeah. I mean, it's great. I'm like a really big fan. What did we call the thing?
Job control?
Yeah.
I didn't teach my brother job control. He might know it now, but I didn't teach it to him. Maybe I did. Nope. We didn't even start on Python. We got so much to learn.
It's C, right?
Okay. So the way that programmers would write this is they, instead of the word CTRL, they would put a caret.
You're a carrot.
So they would just do caret Z.
Okay.
And probably also put it in backticks, but yeah.
You're a backtick. I'm so sorry.
I can see why I control or colon cute.
way. It was a mutual colon Q. It wasn't a colon Q bang.
I know, it's for the content.
It wasn't a colon Q bang.
Yeah, I didn't leave you with, unedited changes.
Oh my god, this like bash humor is great. I've been missing out. Holy shit, this Vim and bash humor? I had no idea. We're gonna meet up at the event. Guys, you all need to go touch grass, dude. Don't live vicariously through our friendship. Did someone redeem insult juice? No, the redemption isn't to insult me. It's for me to insult you.
Did I tell you what I thought touch grass meant for the longest time?
Is smoke weed?
No.
Oh, that would have made sense.
I just thought grass was like a synonym for carpet.
Huh. Why would touching carpet be? Oh, ew.
Well, it's not like touching drapes.
Oh god, ew. Why would we need another like term for that? There's so many terms
like
for
50 already.
Yeah, why would we need another term for that? I would think if I had to hazard a guess, like if I knew nothing about touching grass and was like, what does touch grass mean? I would have assumed it was like smoking weed.
Smoke weed, yeah. Sure.
But I'm also from California, so there's that.
Yeah.
I mean, what did we call it? Control? Program control?
Job control.
2 dash notes?
I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna edit any of this and put it out.
Yeah, you don't have to. Oh, well, I didn't record it. So there's that. But I mean, I have the VOD. So there's that.
Yeah, the VOD,
yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome. Let's go find a person to raid, everybody. Wow, wow, wow. How cool. What did we do today? We set up a Linux virtual machine. We learned a bunch of bash. We learned a bunch of Vim. You
set up your SH keys too.
I set up my SSH keys. Wow, wow, wow. We're so good. We set up a whole repo for storing the notes from this series. I will add it to another command. So if you guys want to follow along with my cool notes, you totally can. Raid time enjoyed. I don't know what that is. Are they?
Oh, they're great.
Are they software and dev?
Working on right now. Yeah.
Ooh, I've never even heard of them.
Python right now.
Python. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's fucking do it. I always want to find new streamers. So let's go jump on time enjoyed. Okay, cool. Everyone, thank you so much all for hanging out with me. Thank you for being awesome, and also thank Anthony for teaching everyone in chat and me these cool lessons. I'm gonna shout out Anthony one more time, just in case you guys want to, follow them.
Are you using the old shout out or the new shout out?
New shout out.
I don't like the new shout out.
Well, you have to, because Jaka made it, and it's great, and we love it. And Jaka's great, and she's the best person in the world, and we love the feature.
Well, I guess I'll just fuck off then.
You're boring, Chad. Sorry, my best friend at work actually made this feature. She was the product manager for it, and I love her, and everything she does is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yep. Okay, we're gonna raid time enjoyed. Can she fix volume spiking after an ad? No, but I do actually know the person who can.
Is that a thing?
I don't know. I've never experienced it. Okay, go say hi to time enjoyed. Yeah. Go say hi. You better stay. If you don't stay, I'll be sad, and I'll be really sad. And also follow me on Twitter. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, why not? If you haven't joined my Discord, do it. Thank you everyone for hanging out with me. I love you. I literally love you all. Bye. Bye.